Sorry about that. I don't know, my VPN was being all bugged out, so I don't know, I had to stop it when I stopped or changed it on the VPN, changed settings on the VPN. It cut me off OBS, so just took a second. Hello traders, welcome to episode 266 of TF Me Mitray. Could be doing anything, but you're here, and for that I'm quite grateful, right? And we're getting close. The 22nd, going on the 23rd of December. Christmas is right there. So speaking of that, let's just make the tree, this Christmas tree, just a little bit larger. Just a little bit, man. Running out of room now, right? But leading up to Christmas, there you go. The tree's bigger and bigger. So, hey, we got Ethereum pulled up first, right? Before Bitcoin. Why? Because Ethereum's up 11.3% right now. Crazy rally. Adjusted the channel, and look what happened. Seems we're at the very top of that upsloping channel now. All right. Lots of volume came in. Huge spike in positive momentum on the 60 minutes, and we're currently sitting at 83 on the RSI. Wow. All right. From high to low, fib extensions puts you at the 1618. And continuing to move, but you know, still staying within the parameters. And we actually did 7 minutes ago, we wicked off the top area, respected it as a resistance. All right. So yeah, man, interesting kind of turn of events for this market on the weekend, no less, right? Bitcoin also running up, but hey, weekend warrior stuff. Believe it or not, from your high to low in Bitcoin, we'll look at it in a second. We've only retraced 62% of the way. That's where we have stalled, but hey, we just bullishly engulfed. All right, so Ethereum, that's the 60 minutes. Looks great here, very overbought, 4 hour. Well, 4 hour, man, your volume's pretty good. Huge green candle. And the positive momentum's building hard, and on the RSI we're at 80, so still overbought, but man, bullish convergence, I would say. Higher highs on price, higher levels of relative strength, great. But, I mean, let's just see where we begin to top out. This could be the area where we can just keep on floating on up like this. See if we can hold inside the parameters of this channel. It's newly established channel, all right? I just hit anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the top, and this is it. So, good God, man. Ethereum, being kangs. Look, man. Was this not real? Breaking out of this channel. Once we did that, man, we've been on a tear, have we not? So, man, I wouldn't go with that 1618. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. All right, so this might be the major retrace we're looking for. Okay, major retrace. What are you talking about, Ray? Dude, the major retrace is the swing high up here. November 7th, high to low. This is what we could be looking for. All right, but the common retrace between 382 and 618, high to low. Okay, soon approaching the 382. All right, 134.52. Great, man, great. Remember, moderate retraces to golden retrace between the 134.52 area and the $168 area. All right, so fast approaching your first common retrace from the major swing high to swing low on the daily time scale. All right, daily time scale. Sweet, dude. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Look for that number, 134.52. Will we hit it? Be interesting to see, right? But look, man, the daily, it seems the daily is really coming together, right? We had all the daily divergence, 50% losses in a month. And then we started forming the weaker, lower lows than the previous lows on multiple time scales. We had daily and 4 hour bullish divergence. That's starting, I think that's what's happening right now. All right. Bitcoin though, you know, drawing board, went back to drawing board. Look, man, we look at this, we're breaking 1618. All right, remember 134 in change is what you're looking for the 382. We're gonna have that. We're actually going to add an alert here. If we do that, we hear that we're hitting a major retrace. Be great, man. All right, we'll see how we respond if we can get there. I don't know. Dang, dude, we're right. We've broken the channel. We've done it, man. We've done it. Holy crap, dude. Oh, man. This is so weird, my notifications, dude. It's like when I go live, my notifications start going off, and you'll start hearing a bunch of them. I don't know why. All right. Anyway, let's take a look at chat, and we'll look at Bitcoin and the rest. But Ethereum's the star of the show tonight. Star of the show. What's up, Stagging Stoner? Jurgen. What's up, Good? Oxd says bot. He's got his popcorn and his glasses on. So, dude. Hey, Justin Smith, Kai for Crypto. Yep. I'm gonna drink it tonight. The Monsoon Malabar. Right. What is it? Hold on. What do you want? Which one is it? Oh yeah, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, that's gonna happen. That's gonna happen. Hey, Charlemagne, thanks for the sub on YouTube, Jizz, man. That's it. Good God, dude. I mean, look, just real quick for Oxdy, man, for y'all to see correlation between XRP and ETH. Money is coming into Ethereum right now. Look. Oops, what? Oh man, hold on. Guess I didn't get that one. Let me choose properties here. Alright, sweet, here we go. Okay, so upside channel, we've since broken the 25% trend line, heading on down to 268,426. Alright. And yeah, man, just dumping hard. Thanks, Ethereum. That's what happens when whatever you are, whatever asset you are, isn't doing really anything, and what it's tied to is pumping tremendously. You're going to get this kind of price action with an XRP to ETH pair. All right. Holy crap, man. Holy crap. Pretty insane. There you go, Oxy, man. Took a look at it for you. We cool? Yeah, what's up, Julia? Jesus, John. Power respects. What's up, P. Miller, man? Hello, Veron, coming in from London, dude. It's super late over there. Super early. Oh, Billy Langford, man. Doing his boot scoot boogie out in Oklahoma. All right, man. I'm coming in from Greenbow. You got to do the boot scoot boogie. All right. Brian Stevens, yeah, Bitcoin not retracing 30. Well, not right now, man. Not right now. Bitcoin really decided to just float on up on, you know, okay volume, right? Decent, but man, Ethereum's really just been taking it home tonight. So that's great, dude. What's up, Zed Zerps? Shirley Lewis, hello. Dustin Witt says 1 hour bearish divergence not on Ethereum. Not on Ethereum, really. I mean, maybe, I guess you could say from this high to this high, maybe, but you can clearly see. I mean, we like broke a downside trend line. We had all that divergence, and then we actually broke down. We had the divergence with the little slanted head and shoulders pattern. We came down, made a little measure move, double bottomed, and then we've run to the upside. Holy crap, right? What's up, William Battles, man? John Legend, hello. Yeah, we need a pattern to form on Ethereum. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Will we form a flag, a bull flag of some sort, or will we just keep up sloping and just get exhausted and then dump, man? What's up, Marcus Young? What's up, Papa Naya? ACWG, man, are you dreaming, dude? HG says keep dreaming. Ooh. Voltaire says, and it's gone. Yeah, man. Yeah, dude. Unsubbed, HG, yeah, that's it. What do I think about Bitcoin? What do I think about it? It pivoted right around a 38% retrace from the low to high. And we have since run from high to low 62% of the way. And we're going to look at it in a second, alright? So I'm just finishing up with chat, and then we're going to move on to Bitcoin, alright? I normally just look at one coin. Normally it's always Bitcoin, but today it's just Ethereum because we're watching it live pump very well. Hey Kiki, you're at an after party at the moment with your best friend Steph. Interesting how they spell Steph. Hey Side Girl, where you been? Good to see you. See if we can get to make Side Girl happy and get those fireworks going. Billy's tired of Christmas, man. Are you, dude? Yeah, I mean, I think everyone is. Especially everyone's waiting for December 29th, right? That's going to be Christmas. That will be the real Christmas, Kappa. What's up, Dominique Cruz? Sell, you say? I mean, look, dude. We have surpassed a 1.618 fib extension. Crazy. We're breaking an upsloping trend line, but we understand the 382 from the major swing high November 7th to the major swing low, the lowest lows of the year. This is your first common retrace. We're close, but you can clearly see some rejection coming in. All right. So Kang Logan, dude. Willow Crypto Man, hello. Sean Coons. Still tilted. Oh, am I tilted, dude? Nah, man, you know, sometimes I move my camera. All right. Am I untilted now, man? I think I am, man. I don't know, dude. This thing's kind of blow. Is that better? Is that better, dude? I guess I was tilted, yeah. Hey, Card Kang. Oh, man. Hopefully you had a stop, Card Kang, on Ethereum. That's great.
Live TA with Mitre. Crypto Kai of the RS. I live from the 1800 studios in Greenbow, Alabama. If we are going to be kings, then this beat should go on.
Montana, man. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Montana tipped $100. Ho ho ho, motherfucker.
What is that? How did the TTS say that, Montana, man? I don't think the TTS is keen on. I don't even know if I should say it, because in some languages the word fuka might not mean what you meant, so we don't know, dude. Ho ho ho, man. Ho 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 indeed. Montana, the new hype boss. Not gonna be easy taking him down, okay, man? Hey, Montana, be careful, dude. You don't want to summon he who shall not be named, alright? You just gotta be careful. Thanks, dude. Love you, man. Merry Christmas. Sorry, it's freaking me out a little bit, alright? Does breaking out the channel mean a run? Not necessarily, no. I mean, look, we just now breaking out. We got 42 minutes left on the candle. We could wick and close below it, right? We could just reject prices above it. So we don't know yet. You want to wait for confirmation for sure on stuff like that. Anything, really. On any breakout, you wait for confirmation, because we have more false breakouts than we have real breakouts, okay? Across all markets. So James, though, that was for you, dude. What about Litecoin? Dominic came in. What about Litecoin, dude? Okay, I showed this in Discord. All right, man, dude. What about Litecoin, dude? I've gone on Litecoin stocks, man, and I did not show feet, so I cannot get banned. So good luck. All right, good luck showing your case to YouTube. What's up, Mad Carl? Is Kyler Murray in my dreams? Billy, no, he's just literally everywhere on ESPN. Like every 5 seconds he's on there. So anyway, what do I think about ADA, Charlemagne? Well, it was pumping. It was doing pretty well yesterday, right? It had the triangle and doubled its measured move, but it hit the top of a downsloping channel we had been in for like a couple months. And that is all we know. I've been gone. I've been out of town all day today. Like, you know, sometimes you'll do like multiple Christmases with family, different family that and you travel. But that's what I was doing today. So I've just been kind of out of the loop with most of the alts. Just been on my phone, man. Bad internet. Okay. Hold on. Okay, man. Be careful. You value your life, Kappa. Crypto pump, stock market goes down. This usually ends with crypto dipping hard in the near future. Vegas game, man. Hold on, me. Jeez, man. US dollar pumped so hard, man. It dumped, but then has pumped tremendously. Wow, man. It's 60 minute though. Let's hold on a sec. Wow, we had an incredible bearish engulfing candle on the U.S. dollar, and then look at the bullish rejection we're seeing. All right, but you're still. This is the U.S. dollar, right? So normally when the U.S. dollar sells off, Bitcoin and crypto is able to run to the upside. And look here, man. Say no, we're going to reject lower prices and run up. But look, you're still using that 20-day moving average as a resistance, which is so crazy, dude. Fell out of a channel, all kinds of stuff. So I don't know, man. Doesn't seem like Bitcoin cares, right? Right now, anyway. So, okay, let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, went back to the drawing board a little bit. Okay, the ascending broadening wedge. Seems like we just rejected lower prices and then we started running again. Okay, it happens, man. So this is the way I'm kind of looking at it. Okay, and you tell me. I just chose anchor point 1 and 2 now. This is that bottom before we started running, and then just 3 in the top. And what I discovered was we had 25% heart line, 75, 25 heart line, respect, and now 25% resistance of the equidistant channel. So it's lined up pretty freaking well. Maybe, just maybe, the market could be interpreting it this way. Also on Bitcoin, the touch point 1 on December 20th, and then 2 on the 21st, and then 3 on also on the 21st. Right, we also have like a downsloping channel, so we're approaching some sort of downsloping resistance, and you're already struggling to break that 25% trend line of the equidistant channel. So soon approaching some sort of resistance, right? And here's the thing, right? So from a swing high to your swing low, what have we done? Golden retrace. The golden retrace, we've not broken that, have we? We rejected it for the 3rd time now. Rejected that 618 at 4,024. I don't know if we'll get there, man. We just bullishly engulfed, but again, it's 60-minute chart. So a lot of things kind of going on. All right, that ascending broadening wedge, we fell down. But we just could not. Here's why we failed, right? Why did we fail to break down to lower prices? Because we had broken out of a downsloping channel we had been in since November 21st. Look, we broke out, eventually had a throwback, pullback, whatever you want to call it, and back tested that trend line that was used as a resistance. It then became support, found some sort of miniature little double bottom, and then we ran, made higher lows, and just running up again. Okay. So we had all that bearish convergence, and then we just broke that trend line and just kept running, started running. But we're not like doing it what Ethereum's doing, are we? We're making much lower highs than our previous highs. Nothing like Ethereum's chart on Bitcoin. Okay. So, all right, man, better keep your eye on Ethereum because it's doing things. It's doing different things. If we want to, we can take a look around the markets, made augmentations all over the place, right? Well, nope, that's not it. Hold on. Dang it, dude, I forgot to change that. Normally it defaults even when I, hold on. Okay, I see what it's doing. All right, here we go. Around the markets, boom. Okay, Ripple, man, I don't know, dude. I tried drawing equidistant channels. I tried every single touch point to make sense of it, to see respect. I couldn't get enough touch points that made me comfortable and feel right with any kind of equidistant channel like I did with the other ones. So I just left it at we had the channel, we broke out of it, then we had the small down sloping channel, and then we've actually broken out of that on literally no volume. And remember the 382, that was our first target of the trade setup, and our secondary target was 42.55 cents. And hopefully we'll see if we can rally. We really need to break that 40 cent mark. Okay, that is that overhead resistance. If we can break that, we might very well have a good opportunity to hit 42.55, our secondary target of that trade. So top right is Litecoin. Hey man, Litecoin lined up pretty freaking well. Okay, anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom. No, actually I did, it's so good that I can't remember. Yeah, 1 and 2 on the top, and then 3 and 4 on the bottom. Okay, so if I would have anchored this down here or up here, it was going to give me the exact same touches, which is awesome because look, you can see the heart line respect, the 25% respect, 25% respect, 75, you can see it multiple times. Kind of struggling around that 25, just bleh, chopping, but here we are at that heart line again, and can't really break it for now. So it just looks beautiful, lines up very well. And then of course we've got Ethereum, which is the star of the show right now. And you can see it, man. We are wicking. We are right now below the upsloping channel or trend line, right? We're below it right now. We wicked off. Okay, and then bottom left, you've got touch point 1 and 2, and then 3 on the top with XLM. And dude, come on, so much respect, dude, everywhere. It's stupid good. Okay, heartline 25, 75, wherever, all good. So these have all broken out of respected downsloping channels. Okay, as you can see, these downsloping. You're like, what are all these lines, man? It's like, it's just showing. I don't want to delete them because we broke out, man. We broke out of a trend we had been in for some time, and I think that should stay up. Okay, anyway, so it's good. Litecoin did it first, I think. Like Litecoin was first. Ripple might have been second. Then followed Ethereum and Bitcoin on theirs. It's awesome, dude. It's awesome. So around the markets, hey man, things looking okay. Things looking okay in this weekend near Christmas. The Santa rally. What were you asking for, man? People are like, where's the Santa rally, man? Well, it's here, dude. It's here. Literally here. Sorry it's not better. Sorry it's not like 1,000% gains. But, hey man, what can you expect in this crazy bearish market? Okay. Sweet, dude. Anyway. Where's my music, man? It's so quiet. It's quiet on my side. Probably not on y'all's. Decibel showing okay, right? I think that's good. Awesome. So yeah, y'all, this is great, man, on Ethereum, but again, Bitcoin, the lower highs, and just kind of in a downsloping channel. Okay. Hey, King Logan, man. It's like hookah, but from Finland. There it is, dude. That's I thought Montana was from Montana. He wasn't from Finland, dude. All right. What's up, Marcus Williams? Any special news? I don't know. Special news? I don't know, man. I didn't see any, but I've been kind of out of it today with family stuff, Christmas stuff. All right. What's up, Sam? Easy. So I'm just like behind a little bit. Merry Christmas to you too, Sam. Sure thing, James. What is it? Road Ted? What are you talking about, man? I don't think so, dude. Oh, Roll Tide. Yeah, absolutely. That is true. Right. Oh yeah, I'm sure they'll give me a game. It'll be a fun game, man. I mean, I think it'll be it'll be worth the price of admission. I mean, I don't know. It's so expensive, man. So what's the point, dude? When I can watch it on a 65-inch, you know, or I could go to like California or something, you know. Yeah, Montana, how are you? Julia asked. I want to know too, man. Good, just here to drop a few binges for Xmas. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, dude. Like, I don't say, man, Montana, dude. Like, I'm very grateful, dude. Just for all the support all year, man. Okay, it's been a crazy year, has it not? We've seen so much drama and emotion and craziness when we just want to do the charts, man. But we have to deal with all this other crap, you know. Anthony, you're loving that Fib channel, dude? Sweet, dude. I'm glad you like it, man. We're in Slayer. You normally want to go with what makes the most sense, but most of the time it's going to be the wick for triangles, okay? But again, if you got like overwhelming wicks, touch points with the candle body closes on the way down or on the way up, you just want to go with what makes the most sense, okay? Greg Morgan, happy holidays, man. To you, yeah. Bearable Guy, you want to see some Tron Connect on the list? Yeah, dude, put Tron Connect on the list. All right, we'll look at it next. Okay, sweet. Why doesn't chat default to live instead of top, Dory? Because that's me, dude. That's just me being me, and I know it sucks, dude, right? Everyone wants, but like the thing is, like if I look at chat live, then how many people are going to get ignored, dude? Like, I mean, what if people have questions, really good questions, and I like to answer them because I think a lot of people in chat will get something out of it. And maybe I need someone to read chat for me, you know? Maybe. Chat should default to live. Man. No, not so much bullish overall market. No, not at all. I think maybe the daily and the 4 hour have given us reason to believe we're doing our major retrace right now. That major retrace we've been talking about over and over and over again. Eventually you'll get it, and we might be getting it right now. Okay. Anyway, how do we feel about Tron Connect? Oh, let's just go to it. Whatever, man. We'll go to Tron Connect. All right, so we finally topped out right that 382, 545. What's the 382, man? What are we doing at the 382, man? I'll show you this 382, man. Let's go to the 4 hour. We have to go to the 4 hour real quick. Okay, there's just too many candles. All right. 382, dude, from the swing high, that's a discernible daily swing high, are really our only one. This one is too, but this is a discernible daily swing high, so we're going with this one. May 26, 2018, from the high to the low, we have hit that 382 and stalled, which makes sense, right? That is your first common retrace, major retrace. Okay, we're seeing Ethereum now hit its 382 from its swing highs, its major swing highs, all right? So, yeah, these things are making the big ones, the big moves, the big retraces, the swing trades, right? So hitting this one, I don't know. We're waiting for more pattern development. People could say, hey, man, is that a triangle wedge? What is that, dude? I don't know, man, but you can clearly see 2 times in the 4 hour, we've rejected prices above the 382, and really 3 times in the 60 minute. Okay, so like right here, man. You got the down sloping. I said I could put 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4 on the bottom. Yeah, a little bit of respect on the heart line. 25%, 75%, right? Still holding up pretty well within the equilibrium zone between the 50 and 20 MA. That's fine, but dude, this thing has had a great run. Okay, this thing has gone very high, very fast. Okay, we had the wedge, the 4 hour divergence, and just kind of disregarded it and ran up. And so with the rising wedge, it's not pictured, I guess, because I have my trend lines. Anyway, the measured move of the rising wedge pattern from the high to low of the pattern from the breakout was right here. We literally doubled it. And went even higher, right? So it really, what it was running to was the major retrace, the major 382. So that's it, man. Struggling pretty hard though, man. I mean, can it keep going up? Sure, it can keep going up, man. It can keep, and your target's probably 633, a 50% retrace, right? But man, at this point, dude, it's gonna be very tough to keep rolling. All right. On the look, man, right here, Tron Connect, man, it's got look, huge spikes, positive momentum. We have not seen positive momentum this high, dude. We've not seen positive momentum this high since June, alright? Been a while, man. There is no bearish divergence, okay? There is none on the 4 hour time scale. So sure, but I mean, this consolidation doesn't look very good, does it? So if we are to break out of this downsloping resistance, we are to break the horizontal line resistance, the 382 at 545, 544 sats. 570, 581, those are the horizontal line resistances. Yeah, there's some resistance over here from June and July. If we could break that, yeah, you should see the 633 at some point in the future, okay, to make that Dow's theory, right? We most commonly retrace 50% of the way, but that's not always certain. Your 382 is your first moderate retrace, okay? Sweet. There's your Tron, dude. Looking crazy, dude. Looking crazy. Damn, Montana, man. Oh, it feels so good!
Montana tipped $100. Apparently my TD Ameritrade debit card didn't like 2 $100 tips, so here is the other one I tried to send.
Why didn't it like it, man? It did not like? Dude, Montana. Seriously, dude, thank you so much for the $200 on the night, man. I don't tell you, dude. Thank you. Like, words can't express the gratitude. I just, all I can do is give you my word. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. All right. The fact that you see value in me to tip me, man, I can just promise you that I'll just keep doing this. Okay, man. I'll keep showing up the 7 days a week, man. I'll keep doing all that stuff. Okay. Keep giving market updates. Everything I've been doing, I'm gonna keep it going. All right, man. Thank you, dude. Love you, man. Stop making my heart race, man. Okay. Cart Kang, a read on gold. Want that XAU, man? Yeah, XAU, dude. Sure, we can just roll at it real quick. Gold, man, gold. Here's your gold, dude. I know it sucks, man. You know what? Screw it. We'll just go to it on this screen. Sorry. It's just so easy flip flopping like that to the other screen. It's crazy, man. Let's go to that daily. Okay, so look at that, man. Here's the thing to take from this, I believe, right? You got the high, the major swing high to the major swing low. We've retraced 50% of the way. We are just breaking, I think as of like Thursday, broke above the 200 MA, 200-day moving average. Last time we were truly above it was sometime in May. All right, interesting. If we zoom out in a grand scheme of what's happening, I think we do in fact have a potential, slanted, complex inverse head and shoulders pattern. I believe that is what's happening right now. Okay, we keep the lower lows right to the bottom, and then we start making those higher lows. You can have as many shoulders as you want. Okay, they're pretty proportionate to the other side, right? So that momentum shift is occurring on gold. And if we were to continue running, if we could break this slanted neckline, if we could break it, man, a measured move would be ridiculous, okay, on gold. A measured move would put you around a 1654, really, yeah, like no doubt. So I don't know, man. I see the shift of the tide. I know we had a potential ascending triangle broke out of it bearishly. It looks like a bear pull bear flag, doesn't it? But hey, is it a bear pull bear flag? We're making higher lows than our previous lows. So there's still forms of accumulation that it might not be. And the longer you stay in some sort of flag like this, the higher the chance it's going to fail and not work out the way you think it is. But on the other side of the coin, the gold coin, 50% retrace, high to low. Dow's theory, you must commonly retrace 50% of the way before reversing your price action. We could do that. There is some slight bearish divergence on the daily, on the MACD only, not on the RSI, right? So you have it, right? So bullish convergence on the RSI, looking hot, looking great, above 60, sitting at 64. That's perfect for a bull run or any kind of rally run, doesn't matter. But the MACD is showing some weakness, like the high, the higher high, the highest high. There are lower levels, but hey, man, let's just see if we can stay methodical, keep on marching, eventually just break to the upside. Hey, the market keeps dumping, man. Precious metals could get trended, man. They could get trended. All right, so you get this. This is your gold, dude. Your gold. That's it, man. Okay. For whoever asked, Cart Kang, that was for you, dude. Okay, for you. The daily time scale. This is serious business. Julia says, Tron Connect. That reminds me of Star Wars worlds, okay? What's up with BitMix Trades? Greg K. XLM's gonna pump next, you think, John Legend? Is that true, man? Looks Man, that equidistant channel looks so pretty, doesn't it? We just broke the heart line. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Stellar Connect. Yes, I've never heard that in my life, but we might. What's up, Crypto Mix, man? Good to see you. Sorry, just oh, the haunted Roomba. Cygirl, you remember that when my Roomba went off that one night? I don't know if you were here for that. That was nuts, dude. Or dudette, I guess. Absolutely, Bearable Guy. You're welcome, man. Clinking beer mugs. Clinking beer mugs. Hey, Kangaloo, what happened to uh-oh? Uh-oh. Greg K, love scotch. Are you drinking scotch, man? If you're drinking something, feel free to, Montana, man. Dude, thanks for the $1, man. I saw that, dude. You can't sneak that by me, man. All right? I saw it. I saw it, man. Holy crap. Wheeler Crypto Man has his weekly membership to his psychic. He's got an amazing office out of his trailer. Oh my god, man, that sounds fantastic. Let's do this, man. Leroy Jenkins. Ask the psychic how the raid went with Leroy Jenkins, and if they don't know, man, they're a fraud. All right. What's up, DJ Joe Public? Dominique's watching My Cousin Vinny. You're watching Two Utes. Two what? Two Utes. You get it though. Great movie. You hate babysitting Cousin Vinny? What? What are y'all talking about? What's up, Dan? Sorry, I'm just behind. I'm almost caught up, alright? Platinum would be interesting. Neil Woods, would it, man? Oh boy. Oh, Greg Morgan's drinking Michelob Ultra. Are you, dude? It's crazy, man. You remember? Yeah. I can call you dude, Cygirl. Alright. Alright, dude. And you remember that haunted Roomba? Yes, it was scary. It was scary. Okay, so, anyway. If you truly want it, man. If you truly want platinum, we can look at platinum, okay? We'll do it for you, man. Since you asked. Alright, here's your scrubby bear trend on platinum. Alright, been in a bear trend. Topped out August 2011. Platinum and sugar got wrecked together. Alright, been bearish ever since. But hey, look, we're soon approaching some horizontal line support. Support that stems back to November of 2008. Here we are again. Here we are again. Alright, if we go to the... Well, we did have some bullish diverge, and we popped to the upside, but we hit the 75% trend line. There goes a channel, and from the high to low, we retraced 38% of the way. We touched the 200-day moving average, used it as resistance, and then dumped. But I don't know if the selling's done yet. I just don't know, man. We could still go. I mean, look, we got oversold, and then we just kind of going sideways. It really doesn't look that great because we're using that 20-day moving average as resistance. You're below the 200, 20, and 50. Montana, man. Oh my god. I feel so tired.
Fuck sorry was $100 here the rest, but gold up 2% deck when shit like XLF, XLKF down bigly think I may play a bounce into so soon.
Oh yeah, you gonna get some oil, man?
Is that a joint?
Cashed out of LTC at 31.00 expecting a dump. This rally is giving me FOMO. I'm holding steady.
The FOMO, man. The FOMO. The dreaded FOMO. Well, hey man. It seems like, okay, the rally is kind of more for real, right? In a lot of places. We'll look at Litecoin. Okay, look at Litecoin on the big screen. Hey, dude. Montana, man. Thanks for the 99. Thinking about going to USO, dude. USO. Alright, dude. This thing is just, God, destroyed, man. Alright. Alright. So platinum, we'll look at USO literally next. Montana, right after, we're almost done with this one. Making a higher low for now than the previous low. That's great, man. That's great. Bouncing off the 2008 low in August. But there's no real divergence I see, really, right? You just have a higher low. Okay, so it would be nice to see a pivot and a break to the upside. I just don't know if that's going to happen, man. You're just stupidly bearish on platinum, man. Stupidly bearish, but near historical lows, you know. In the most literal sense of the word, historical. Okay. But a beautiful downswing channel, man. I just love it, dude. You just gotta love how wonderful this looks, right? Excuse me. Weekly, though. Weekly on platinum. It should be noted on the weekly from your low here from October 2016 to your low, your lower low. You're still showing forms of bullish divergence. If you come down and double bottom here, I mean, you're so close, dude. Hold on the weekly time scale. Oh, God, you're so close. Look at the negative momentum. You almost have none left, dude. You almost have none left. Okay, so this has been brewing since October of 2016. This weekly divergence. Wow. Yeah, you want to see something else? Let's see. Great. Nah, that's not that crazy. Nah, it doesn't really do anything. I look, man. I'm just saying, from my low way back here to the lower low that you've seen, the lowest lows of the year, or really of like the decade, you do have higher levels of relative strength with these lower lows. Interesting. So platinum been sold and sold and sold for so long, and now the weekly divergence is still real, and you're getting more of it. You're getting like triple MACD weekly bullish divergence on platinum. Okay, so, but if you were to break that 2008 low, we could see prices at 712 or 643. Okay, I mean, look overall, man, you're still like I know you have a downtrend you've been in for so long since 2011, but you still got these higher lows than your previous lows, right? Way back here, so should be noted. This goes all the way back to 1997. All right. Okay. USO. Let's go to USO for Montana, man. And we're gonna look at the VTI too, y'all. I think we're gonna keep looking at the VTI all the time. Okay, so yeah, this is what I saw, man. All right. Just, yeah. Oh, it's just been neutered, man. All right. We're currently sitting on the weekly at 24, 25, right? From a major swing high on the weekly to the major swing low, we retraced 62% of the way, and I'm talking we literally touched it, man. We touched it. And then once we touched that, we dumped, man. What was happening on the weekly on the way up? Well, you guessed it, man. You freaking guessed it. On the way up, bearish divergence. Insane, dude, right? Insane. Okay, MACD. Yeah, on the way up, you did have it. Yeah, you had it going on. Right. You had that divergence. The lower levels of positive momentum and relative strength with the higher prices on very meh volume, especially after the look at the trend right now is so bearish. Okay, we've since dumped, and look what we did to end the week. We have fallen and cracked below the upsloping support. Wow. But something to raise your eyebrows at, from our swing low from June of 2017 to the swing high of October of 2018, we have hit an 88% retrace. We're literally closing right at it. Okay, but the volume is very nice. Lots of volume on this selling. Lots of volume. So, dang, dude, it's nuts, man. Montana, this has just been terrible, right? Terrible. Give me a sec. Platinum, okay, then was okay. Crazy world. Damn, man, it's just so difficult, man. To negative momentum, largest spike in negative momentum we've seen since December of 2014, man. Just bad, dude. Just really, really bad. Maybe so, Greg, man. Maybe it is Christmas time. Oh, CCCP probes here, man. Hello, Tommy Bukowski, man. Ho ho. Cheers. I will throw a triangle for everyone. And if you have been a bad boy, I will throw a rising wedge at you. A bearish reversal pattern. And not sexual. Okay, Santa Claus, children, stop. Stop with your mind with rising wedges. Okay, they're bearish patterns. It's like coal. Throwing coal at people. What's wrong with y'all? Oh, we go to the daily, I guess. Real quick. I mean this. Okay, never mind. That's good. Yeah, daily and weekly bearish divergence at the 618 before we dumped. Right, MACD wasn't as clear at all. All right, on the daily, but it was very clear on the weekly. So, do we have any kind of reversal going on? No, nothing. Just very, very weak, man, dude. We just got a daily death cross, November 30th. Okay, so less than a month ago that death cross happened. Very, very scary. You're using the 20-day moving average as a resistance and continuing to sell off. That's what you do in bear trends. The bearish fanning, where look, your price action, or excuse me, your moving averages are beginning to fan out. They're diverging away from each other. That's showing the significance of the trend. It's just straight down, man. All right. Yeah, sure, you're showing a little bit of a bullish divergence, but we don't know if the selling's done. We don't know if the selling's done. The negative momentum's just begun to build. So, see if we can go any further. Good God, man. This just volume here on this time scale is extreme too. Whew. My God, man. My God. Montana, man. Greg, man, if you're self-directing your IRA, you're probably safe, right? But,
Thanks for the platinum TA. Bought a small holding is a bit of fun based on the lows. Great education generally, love it. Cheers, man.
Great education generally. Generally. Thank you, dude. Much love, dude. Sometimes the education sucks, man. Neil, I really appreciate that, dude. Wow. Above and beyond, brother man. Thank you. Yeah, platinum, man. It's a beautiful down-slipping channel. Love it, man. Gotta love it sometimes. Even if it's crappy and it's a sell-off, right? It's just been bear market forever. It's just still so well respected in between and on the outside, right? I think there's a rap song, cream on the inside, clean on the outside, or vice versa, something like that. Y'all know that rap song? That reminds me of the platinum chart. Okay, the platinum down-slipping channel. You get it. I'm throwing my rising wedge around everyone. Doug! Montana, man!
Montana tipped $100. Just saying on so with that huge weekly volume there should be a bounce, but hey, I'm just an asshole who gets shit on, not saying go long, just a cookie scalp.
Cookie scalp? Hold on. It ran out of room. Quickly scalp, sorry dude. It sounded like cookie scalp. Or cookie scout. Girl Scout cookies. No, yeah. No, for sure. Yeah, not a long-term thing. Yeah, man, eventually I think, look, we're oversold, right? We're oversold. But it's just responding so poorly to the macro, right? The overall markets, the major indices, everything just looks terrible, right? So, yeah, man. Yeah, eventually it will reverse and make some sort of major retrace. We just don't, where is it, you know, like, where is our either bullish engulfing or our abandoned baby or something, right? We're just not getting anything, you know. We'll see. Let's like set up an alert. Falling below that 886. I mean, because you can clearly see we're like at least not ignoring it, right? We're like, okay, hey man, the 886 fib node is here. All right, that's what it's doing. Oh. But yeah, man. At some point it'll pop, but and at some point I believe if we start showing that rounding action, like we're finally starting to get like a bullish and golden candle or something like that, your rounding action will start beginning on your MACD. You eventually would be getting what you're looking for, dude, right? Rebel guy, oh my god, US dollar coin?
Thank you for answering my question. My donation mirrors my indecisiveness. Cheers.
Dude, Bearable Guy, man. That's the first US dollar coin contribution I've ever gotten in my entire freaking life, dude. Thank you so much for taking my US dollar coin virginity, man. Thank you, dude. Holy crap. Stable coin, baby. Stable coin. Jeez, man. Thank you. So, y'all incredible, man. Y'all incredible, man, women, and child, right? Whatever. You know. Who knows who's watching right now? Who knows? But yeah, Montana, like, would be, like, hopefully looking around an 886 for some sort of reversal, right? Come on, give us that bullish engulfing candle or something, right? And then, you know what happened, right? We'll eventually round out on the RSI Montana man, and then we'll get to what we're looking for, dude. We'll be finding some sort of daily bullish divergence, right? And that's what we would want. And then, yeah, dude, we could get a very nice retrace. And then with that swing loaded, the major swing highs up here, dude, right? 1629, so a high to low. We could get a really nice retrace. You're right. Absolutely, dude. So oil is just decimated, man. We were on a 2-year long, well, actually, year-and-a-half long uptrend, right, on oil that just cracked, right? So we want to be looking for something like this. And here's the beginning of your trend is right here at 872 or so. So if we can't hold that, man, that's probably gonna be your next target, right? 872. So all right, that's brother, man. Sorry, Zed, man. I do we'll feel you, but we're here for you, man. That's all I can say. All right. Hey, Dave Jones, NPC, man. Oh my God, y'all talking about rising wedges, man. Hi, everyone's saying hi. ASL to everyone saying hi. Okay. Benjamin's going on a diet natty cookie scout. Those are my favorite, man. Those are my literal favorites. Okay. Is abandoned baby a pattern? Yeah, absolutely, Greg, man. You wanna? Hey, man. You wanna ask? We'll tell. Okay. It's where you gap down and then gap right back up, and it's a reversal. Oh my God, I type in abandoned baby on Google, and it's just meth heads, people charged with abandoned babies pattern. A very good example, man. Oh, here we go. This is fine. Right. Here's what you're looking for, man, on your abandoned babies, man. You right here. So, abandoned baby, the upside where you gap up with a little doji. All right, like you open above your previous candle, right, indecision, and then the next day you open back below the area of the previous candle, the day before, right? And then vice versa, right? In a downtrend, this is what you're looking for a reversal to the upside, right? So that's your abandoned baby pattern, okay? Reversal pattern. You want to look for this around critical area. And this is stocks. I mean, this is not in crypto because there's no gaps, right? This is you know, other markets. So you look for this with bullish divergence, with fib nodes, right? Coincide them together. And those are the best way to obviously trade any kind of candlestick pattern or patterns. So, there you go. Abandoned baby. Hope you learned something new, man. Alright, awesome, dude. Awesome. Anyway. That was for you, Greg K, man. 4 legs, such stable. Mini douche. Can you tip an Indian book face coin? King Logan, of course, man. Of course. We just got that implemented today, believe it or not, alright? So, it's awesome. Stormy Daniels Hypercane. That sounds intense, man. Yeah, crypto moved a tiny bit. Yeah, man, it did. Let's go to Ethereum. Why not go back to Ethereum? Haha. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. A lot of rejection on that previous 60 minutes. It's an inverted hammer, which is a bearish reversal pattern. This is a bearish reversal pattern. Inverted hammer. Okay. Or shooting star, whatever you want to call it. That's it, dude. Shooting star pattern signifies a reversal, but 60-minute bullish convergence. But on the 4-hour, on the 4-hour, you could be having bearish divergence on the MACD. Okay, but we have 3 hours left on this 4-hour candle, right? So anything's possible at this point. No confirmed inverted hammer on a much more significant time scale, but in the 60 minutes, it's there. So maybe we begin our retrace, or maybe a flag or something. That'd be cool, and then we run again. But we never hit that 382, did we? From the major swing high to swing low, the 382 that was at 134 and change. Great, man. But, you know, replotting our channel, it's lined up perfectly. Is it not? It's just nice. Heartline respect. Just looks great, dude. So yeah, Patrick Kane, this is really for you. Oh yeah, sorry. We local on the 8th, Silly Crab Man. Sponsored by Montana, man. Abandoned meth baby equals dumpster fire. Yeah, I guess King Logan could be that. Oh yeah, my bad, dude. Let's go Litecoin real quick, man. Okay, sorry about that. That's my bad, dude. That's KTC, not LTC. Yeah, someone requested this, so we just don't wanna. Okay, Litecoin still running, right? Still a little bit, right? So, replotted this one. Okay, got the anchor points, anchor point 1 and 2 on the top side, and then 1 on the bottom. Very close to another touch point, but this is what lined up the most. Hardline resistance. It's all just off a little bit, right? But it's all in the general area of respect. I mean, you're getting it in a lot of areas. You're holding this 25 right here, the heart line. You're barely breaking it right now. Look, you had the divergence, and then you broke it, and now you're overbought on the 60 minute at 75. 42, man. Wait. Oh yeah, it's right. It's the XRP. Okay, good. It's not broken. The variation.
Many babies may be left on the doorstep, but just saying Hero or Zero may also buy some gush for the 3x bounce in oil as well.
What? Just saying Hero or Zero may also buy some gush for the 3 times bounce in oil as well. Oh yeah? Dude, Montana, man, thank you so much for the $42, man. The large ripple in the jars, you can see it, okay? That's a new variation we have. Right, that's the Bradley. Oh, also, I gotta do this. Sorry, man.
Is that a joint?
Because I keep forgetting 42. Because it didn't say 42.00, does it? Ooh. Is this leveraged? Yeah, man. And this one, dude. Holy crap on Gush, man. Sorry. On Gush, man. On the daily. Lowest levels of RSI we've ever seen on this chart, right? 20, dude, 20. And then, hey, here's the thing, man. Look at the selling, continued sell. Let's do this real quick. Let's see if we can get a fib extension, right? We just cracked the 1272 from our most previous major swing low to swing high, right? We've cracked the 1272 at 846. The 407, oh my God, man. The 1414 fib extension in this situation is at 407 half your value. That's crazy. The volume is stupid, man. And your negative momentum is just continuing to build, right? But Montana, you're right, because look, there's no way I'm sorry, there's just no way you're going to invalidate any sort of bullish divergence. But the question just remains to be, where will we start rounding out on our MACD, right? When will it, you know, start losing its pop, start stalling on the selling? Because the selling pressure right now is stupid, man. You just keep on, you're just going straight down, right? So you're looking for the rounding action, severely oversold, historical oversold territory, right? So, yeah, man, it's ridiculous, dude. Ridiculous. But it's just so scary how your next fib node, your fib extension, is half your price. Almost at this point. You're at $7.06. Could see $4. I don't know, man, but that's how you do the fib extension, man. You just look at your previous major swing low on a daily time scale to your swing high, and that was it, man. You just kind of disregarded that 1272. It's insane, dude. And the volume, look, historical levels of volume on Gush. Yeah, definitely Gush. I mean, that's the ticker of the year for sexuality, right? Oh, it feels so good! Alright, so, yeah, man. Montana man. Just crazy. Just stupidly irrational selling. Just too much of selling. Anyway, sorry. Okay. Sitting around 4K on Bitcoin right now. With fireworks. Thank y'all so much for the 100 likes. Y'all incredible. Boom. Fireworks are up. As we look at Litecoin. Look, Litecoin just had these areas signified, the confluence zones. We went from a swing high on November 28th and a swing high, which is the major swing high, of November 6th, 2018. Two different swing highs with the same swing low to try to find confluence areas. We had one right here between $30, at $30. We ran up, hit a 786 fib node from this high to low. So we retraced 78% of the way from the high to low. And that's where we kind of double topped a little bit, broke down, bounced, and we're running again. But you're not making higher highs yet, are you? You gotta break above 3308 truly if you're to run again. Okay, so now we've got upswing resistance, but the next confluence zone is between 34.48 and 35.17, but you gotta break $33. That is the big resistance area, okay? That's it, dude, on Litecoin. Uptrending right now, clearly. After breaking such a nasty, nasty, well-respected downtrend, right? Shoot, man. That's crazy. But yeah, dude, 1 man army was good. Dude. Also, I just didn't get enough sleep last night, alright? So. Anyway. And I just lost so much chat. Awesome. Okay, here we go. Caught up. Pumpy Dumpy Benjamin. You remember that, the Pumpy Dumpy. That's right, Dan Styles. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. The Loch Ness Monster. Oh, that's... I don't think I've ever heard someone say Loch Ness Monster for a chart. I've heard the dragon. There is an actual chart pattern called the dragon. Okay. Maybe at some point we'll do some education on the dragon. Did we ever celebrate the big moon and winter solstice? No, we did not. But I did hear that the white raven has come to Winterfell, and that signifies the beginning of winter, right? Or something. Something with Game of Thrones. It's loud music. How is this happening, dude? Like, I'm losing my mind, dude. Okay. Holy crap, man. So, Merry Christmas, Justy, man. Merry Christmas. On the verge of the V-Chain Gush, about to burst. Holy crap, man, dude. Trappist will be proud, dude. Yeah, Billy, drinking milk again, man. You know me, dude. Whole milk with some half and half in there and some heavy whipping cream. All right, we're going all in. All in. Kind of kid, 23. Big one's about to run in your opinion. I'm about to sneeze, in my opinion. Hold on. Sorry about that. Okay. Do I think Ethereum Classic is a dumpster fire? Yeah, of course, man. Okay, they said they're closing up shop. They're out of funding. They suck, man. They're not even worth looking at. I don't know why anyone would even put money into that crap now. How does one go about making a pattern? We need a Smooth Sally, Spicy Sam, and Raunchy Randy. I don't know, man. If you're looking for that, you might want to do extensive research and look for that pattern that has not been discovered, and look for it a billion times and literally do percentages of success failure for that pattern. That's what Bukowski did. He did it for a long, long time. So, hey Dan, man, Dan, Melissa, happy holidays. No Jesus peoples from Iowa, gonna destroy Mississippi State. Okay. Black coffee. No, we're talking about milk, man. Milk, whole milk, with heavy whipping cream and all that stuff in the milk. Okay, no coffee, man. Just hearing that makes you lactose intolerant, man. Yeah, pretty much. Oh my god, dude, yeah. Drip, dude. Oops, sorry. Three-time leveraged short on oil. Good god. Dude. Justy, man. Justy. Here's your drip. Drip for the ages. Gone, dude. Gone. Alright, so, overall, like, what bearish chart, right? Happens. The decay, right? So let's see here, man. I sure think we're breaking out. We're breaking out of that channel. Oh my god, dude. Due respect right there. Not bad, man. Not bad. The heartline support, the resistance at the 75, 25% support. I don't know, man. It's the best you can really do in this situation. Okay, so there's no other real way to chart it unless you want to go anchor point 1 and 2. I guess we could try that. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna delete it soon. That's it. That's like this, and that doesn't do much justice at all, does it? Because we're looking at the downsloping resistance, that bump and run stuff, like the touch point. There's 1, 2, and 3 here, and we broke out. All right, so a major swing high to the swing low. This is daily. We are approaching the 786, a deep retrace, right? Going straight up, nice volume, the largest spike of positive momentum we've seen since June of 2016 on drip. You are extremely overbought on the daily, sitting at 87, dude. Holy crap, that is as they would say in the Crucible, unnatural, man. So great, crazy run. Thanks stock market, thanks macro, thanks everything, right, for killing oil. It's been wonderful. Okay, so kind of like you see a little bit of a triple bottom action. You get 3 little bottoms near each other. But, you know, no real discernible pinnacle. Yeah, not really great looking. Just kind of looks like some rounding edge. Okay.
Is that a joint?
Oh my god. Can't run forever, right?
I short drip and long gush if I wrong, no more donations cause I abuses as brokes.
Yeah, that could be a way, right? Now, if you call it right, though. Holy crap, man. Holy crap. Alright, look, man. 70, look, there's just 4 hours or anything. I don't think there's anything. I don't think there's any kind of, yeah, there's no real diversion. Maybe a little bit, okay? If we could stall out in the coming week, maybe we hit 23.59. Dude, Probst, are you in here, dude? Probst, look at the 786. The 786, man. Yeah, that's right. Squint in, get the glasses, your reading glasses, man. Kappa, 23.59. I can't even believe it, man. I can't believe the 786. It's a sign, man. It's a sign from the gods, the chart gods, Kappa. But yeah, man. Where's the divergence? You might be getting some if tomorrow or Monday we decide to stall. But we could hit this and then dump. But I think if we hit the 786, we might not get that 4-hour bearish divergence, right? For now, you've got it like this, right? There is impending price action reversal, but again, look, it's not valid yet because you're not finding the swing high. You got to wait till the swing high is established to say that there is bearish divergence, right? There's just none yet. All right, so just straight line up and could continue on if it wanted to, but my God, just 87 on the RSI, 83 on the RSI the daily, 87 RSI daily, 83 4-hour RSI. Sorry. Blah. Crazy, man. Crazy world we live in. So good God, man. You could expect a reversal around 23.59. And if you're unlucky, if it just wants to keep rolling, you got 25.95, and then after the 100% retrace, it's 28.64. Good God. All right, good God. Anyway, that's it for your drip, man. Drip it hard. Did you miss the local on the ETH? Unfortunately, Rodolfo, yeah, kinda. I don't know, we didn't look over it too much. $4,000, man. $4,000. Did you miss the low bulls? I don't know what a low bull is, but no, okay. Aikman will show up soon. You're sure of it, Billy Man? Yeah. My God, Credit Profits, man. He says, rest in peace, the guy he knows that took out a few $100,000 in a line of credit funds to cover his oil longs. Oh, man. What's up with the recklessness, right? Blowing up your account. Like, even letting that happen. Like, risk aversion, that's what trading's about. Trading, like, why trade? I guess you can gamble, but dude, why not? Why gamble like that on a screen, right, dude? Go to a casino and get free drinks, man. Come on. There's no point in, like, I don't know, whatever. I guess people just have different perceptions of what this world is. It's just risk aversion. You're just trying to make the lowest risk plays for the highest reward opportunities, right? Using coinciding variables on significant time scales. That's like what you do. That's trading. That's either day trading, position trading, or long-term investing. Okay, man. So you don't just, I'm gonna take out a loan for $1 billion, man, and here we go, all in. You'll see an inverse head and shoulders on Litecoin. Zoom out. What time scale, CJ? Was it the 60-minute, man? Huh. Inverse head and shoulders? Dude, if you're looking at the daily, we would need to run up, right, and hit like 36 bucks, right, and then sell off. Okay, what I'm talking about. This is a CJ, man. All right, CJ's asking about an inverse head and shoulders on Litecoin. I don't think it's done. It's still all potential, right? And it's in its early stages, right? It's like when Sauron doesn't even have like an army yet. Okay, hold on. Look, man, it's like your daily. Here's your left shoulder, potential head, and then we would want to run up and match or get close to it, and then sell off, and then run down here. Right, and then we could get that that left shoulder, right? That you're talking about. I think that's exactly what you're talking about, CJ. And that could be stupendous, man. That could be stupendous. And here's the thing, man. It's not like we didn't call daily bullish divergence on both oscillators. It was there, man. It was there. Low, lower low, lower levels of negative momentum, and higher levels of relative strength. It was there. It was there on Ethereum. It was there on Bitcoin. I don't think it was there on Ripple at all. Ripple was a little different. Okay, so maybe, dude. Maybe we're Kangs. Maybe we're Kangs. All right. Who knows it? But CJ, let me know if that's is what you're talking about. It could be brought to the attention of a lot of people. A potential pattern. Inverse edge order, it could be a very large move to the upside, man. You could almost double in value. Measure move if it was to play. Oh. Hold on. Come on, man. I don't understand. Here we go. If your neckline's here, dude, that's a not double. Sorry, man. That's like a 1257 measure move. Wherever this ended up establishing itself, right? 1247, 1287, 1247, whatever. I mean, that's like near 786 fib node, a deep retrace. Sorry. Yeah, 4851 would be a measure move if this pattern ever played out. Okay, CJ, let me know. Let me know, dude. Thanks, man. Awesome. Wait. Oh my God, Billy, man. Tapioca pudding with Vegemite infused. They should make that a new Dorito flavor or something, man, right? Tapioca pudding, Vegemite. It'll bring the worlds together. Anyway, sorry. There's some chat. Oh, man. Sorry. Yeah, it just doesn't seem to care. Like forms of capitulation just running through big extension like that. Just yeah. Excuse me. Should you short Ethereum, Caesar man? Well, the thing is, man. All right. Sure, one could if they wanted to, right? But let me You are showing that rejection right now. I got plenty of time left, 2 hours 38 minutes, right? But you're at the top of the channel, showing resistance, showing respect of that upsloping resistance, and really forming some sort of bearish pin bar at the moment. But 60 minutes is confirmed right. That is a inverted hammer, which is a bearish reversal pattern, but it's just the pattern by itself. I guess you have the bearish reversal pattern that coincides with us hitting critical areas of upsloping resistance in the 1618 fib extension, the golden mean ratio, right? 128.66. So you've got several coinciding variables there for Ethereum on a 60-minute time scale. But to the extent of how far we retrace, we could only retrace 30% of the way and then run again. I mean, it's hard, man. You're waiting. You want to see, for the swing traders world, you want to see 4-hour stuff develop, like bearish divergence. But yeah, all very real resistance points up here. Good. CCCP pros, man. 2359. With the profits, you will add more into the stablecoin, Tittycoin, Kangs. That's it. We are Kangs. They should make a commercial, dude. What happened? What did Montana say? He said overbought? Oh, yeah. Okay, my bad. Sorry. Wasn't. Thanks for the 201 people tuned in between Twitch and... No, just YouTube. Sorry. Just YouTube right now. My bad. So used to saying that. 4 hours daily, though, too. Daily, it's still recognizable, which is even better, CJ, man. Oh, Ellis Young, who's acting like that, man? Who's acting like that?
Is that a joint?
But for real, risk aversion is for dudes who sip lattes and wear skinny jeans. Just saying, I can be a bit patient and let drip and gush come to me. Just saying, I think he'll be right over the next few months for a bounce.
You're saying you can be a bit patient and let drip and gush come to you? Yeah, of course, right? And remember, there's reason to believe that it could continue selling off, right? Just because we don't have a swing low established yet. We're waiting for a swing low, right? Waiting for those patterns, the stalling of the selling. It's just not, it has not stalled yet, right? So it's like falling knife catching at the moment, right? What? Oh, so Mr. Cantomo, man. Good to see you, dude. As always. You closed your Ethereum short from 204 today. Hey, rest in peace. Lots of profit still, right? Right. Yeah, this North guy's a chef. Yeah, that's it, Mr. Cantoma. That's exactly what he is. Peter North is a chef. All right. Does Ethereum look like bearish divergence on the 4-hour MACD and hidden divergence on the 4-hour RSI? No, it looks like depending on where you're looking. Well, this is the 1 hour. Sorry. High price. No, you have bullish convergence on the RSI. Okay. You're talking about higher highs, lower levels of relative strength. Yeah, you're getting a little bit of hidden divergence, yeah. And then your classic. So the thing is, right, we have not established a for real swing high on the 4 hour yet, right? So what if it continues to sell? What if we keep building, right? We might invalidate any sort of divergence. But yeah, the way it's looking now, it looks great, but we have 2 hours, 33 minutes left. We gotta wait for get a candle body close on the 4 hour, right? Let's get some confirmation of a bearish reversal pattern. And maybe get some rounding action. Let's get this to start making lower levels of negative or positive momentum, right? And then yeah, we could have something like high, higher high, highest high, right? And just have it like this. Yeah, something like that, pretty much, right? Yep. Still rolling though. Still going on. Coin savvy. So yeah. Okay, Diamond Whisper, yes. So I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick.
Is that a joint?
Can I get Seth in here next Friday or Saturday for a New Year's blowout?
Next Friday or Saturday. I mean, we could light the torches of Gondor to send him a message, right? And see, right? We'll see. Montana man. Holy crap, man. Dude. That's some deep stuff going on, man. Deep words right there. Okay. Thanks, man, Montana, for the 420. We'll see. We'll see what accommodations can be made for your request. Okay, man. All right. Give me 2 seconds, though. I'm going to run to the bathroom. Be right back. So, y'all just hold tight. We're just going to keep Ethereum on screen and be kings. Hold tight.
6 KGB Ben, yeah, dude. Tell me.
Alright, what's up? What's apps? Like, audio's good? Yep, sweet. Nice. What's up about EC, dude? Thanks for tuning in. Crank it up, Benjamin. Done. And now it's uncranked. Sorry, man. Thanks for the 171 who stuck around. Rune Slayer, glad you're enjoying the chill vibes, man. What do you mean mic will be off next time? Did I not turn my mic off, dude? NSA, only way you can afford your donations? What do you mean, Montana? What does that mean? CCC Probe says, former KGB, still active, Mother Russia. Crap, man. Sorry, dude. This is kind of like, look, we've been live, what, hour and 30 minutes now on a Saturday night. So, whatever, man. We're watching crypto pump, hit areas of resistance, and get rejected. And since getting rejected, we're just selling off a little bit. 60-minute candle. We have that. Yeah, let me get rid of this real quick. Yep, 60 minute we have the inverted hammer at the critical resistance with the 1618, whatever, right? Whatever. Bitcoin's at the 25% trend line and rejecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times rejected. Okay, so not really after an impulse up, not really the crap you want to see, right? Not at all. So. But anyway, went by the drawing board. Touch point 1, 2, and 3 on the top. We got plenty of good-looking touches deep within this equidistant channel, and right now we're failing to hit. Look, man, you got this down sloping resistance. Touch point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, right? It's a channel, and until you break above 4,040, 4,050. You're still going to be in this down-sloping little channel. Okay. So that's really what's going on with Bitcoin. Why did we not break down to lower prices? Well, it had something to do with that old area of resistance. It then became a support, and then we since bounced. Okay. So anyway, that's what's going on with Bitcoin. Just a little different perspective of what's happening right now. You're a federal agent. two Utes. To what? Holy crap. Nikon, yeah, Nikon, the German company, right? That's what you're talking about, whoever asked. So, but logo is free. Wow, I missed some chat. Anyway, yeah, we can look at it real quick. Who cares? Nikon. Daily. High to low. Literally touched the 50% retrace. 50% retrace and then sold off. Lower high. Lower high than the previous high. Okay. Trend reversal might be occurring. Cracking some critical support we had back from July of this year. Right? We're below it now. And how are we going to fib this? Easy, man. Easy. We're swing low, swing high. First target's down at $11.72 right down here. All right, yeah, you got some. Really, no, you don't. I mean, this is your target, man. All right, our most previous swing low to swing high on a daily time scale. You can see it down here. All right, that's it, dude. That's literally it. So perking the ears up, hitting the 50% retrace, and then selling off, and then creating the new trend, maybe, possibly, right? It's for sure we can. There you go, man, right? So it's a new trend that has begun with the lower high than your previous high. That signified it in point 1, 2, and now 3 for Nikon. So perking the ears up, man. Perking the ears up for our friend. All right. Whoever that was. Sorry. The Swayze Express, Sigro. Have you ever heard of the Swayze Express? It's coming for you. Bogus free? Sure, yeah. Thank you for hanging out, too. Okay. So, Doug Reeves, you're back. Good to see you, dude. Welcome, man. Johnny Utah, Probst. I know that guy. What are y'all talking about? Holy crap. Benny Coins, that's it. Sorry, Benny Coins. There you go, man. There you go, dude. Alright, that was for you. I don't think so. Incognito Jr., dude. I think it was just it was a nice move to the upside and finding a nice move up. Almost hit 38% retrace. So close. Big Kang's doing things, John Lyer. What's up, dude? 2019 will be a great year, man. Yes, it will. It has been decreed. Sorry, let me get off this. Okay, anyway. Dude, yes, that's awesome. Sorry. What's up, Princess Riley? I know you. I don't know, man. It's time to sell on what, dude? That's just so general. All right, but I guess everything calls Bitcoin. Bitcoin's struggling to break the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel, it seems. And we also, right after that, you've got that looming downsloping resistance, the little channel we've got going on, right? Hey, Landcap. 2018 will be glorious. Hey, Benito, man, did you not hear? Tron Connect will be coin of the year 2018. I'm not kidding, man. It will be. It will be the one, man. Did anyone watch that, what was it, the Houston game? Not Houston Texans. The Houston Cougars or whatever got destroyed. It was awful. It was bad, man. Anyway, I don't know, dude. I'm just like, we've looked at a lot of charts tonight, right? A lot of charts, and I'm just hanging out with y'all. Okay, string a little bit. NPCs. Montana says, hi, Benito. Yes, we welcome you, dude. You're a kanji, not the wave. Dude, y'all have like inside jokes within inside jokes at this point, I think. Okay. Just saying. Okay. So, does anyone have any like good plans for Christmas? Anyone doing anything crazy, exciting, eventful, worth talking about, worth expressing via keyboard in the chat? Let us know your plans, okay? Let us know your plans. Also your age, sex, location, capital, alright? Where's Bradford? Bradford was doing something. He's telling me. He's doing an ugly sweater party tonight. Oh, I need to get an ugly sweater and stream. I need an ugly sweater. Okay. I'll get one. We'll do an ugly sweater stream before Christmas. So just in a few days, you'll see me with an ugly sweater on, alright? What's up, Wobble My Jello, dude? Thanks for tuning in. Posted to Charman. Well, man, I see what you're saying, man. You're really close to resistance back from November 27th. Yeah, and it's XRP to USD. Yeah, you're talking about back here. Look, man, just look at it like this, man. You just got a down sloping little channel. Yeah, you're holding some support from December 19th, from November 30th, and just around that area. Okay, you're holding here. Look, man, our secondary target was 42.55. So impulse up, down sloping consolidation, no big deal, not bad, right? Swing high or swing low to swing high. 38% retrace, right? We've retraced 38%. We're double bottoming off of that. Here's your downslope resistance. If you can break that, man, target's 40 cents, 40.5 cents. If you break that again, 42.55 cents is the area that you'd like to see us hit. Okay, that'd be the target. That still is the target, right? So look at the volume that came in on 60 minutes, pumps the upside. But then look, we've been kind of selling off. Volume's been just receding. Ugh, right? Gotta break this though. Alright, alert. Cool. What's up, Germanicus, Julius Caesar Keith, man? Welcome, dude. The final wave that Patrick Swayze rides in Bellis Beach, Australia. He survived the wipeout. The Irukandji stung him to death. Then the sea snakes, then crocs, then great whites. Oh god, the great whites. What about the hammerheads? I thought the hammerheads were way more prevalent. But they might be what, North Australia or something, man. I don't know. There's always some stat, some sort of misconception about Australia, right? Tell me, man. Yeah, Irukandji got him, man. Irukandji got him. What are you doing and letting him go for? Isn't that where Patrick Swayze went over the falls in Point Break? Benjamin, maybe it is, man. Maybe it is. Sure thing, Renslayer, man. Thanks for tuning in, dude. Okay. So yeah, man, what the... Man, Point Break. I hadn't seen that movie in a while. That was a good movie, dude. That was a real good movie. Just the iconic, the presidential masks, the bank robberies, and then, you know, where you've got the crew. Okay, man, this is your turf, man. Okay, the cowabungas, man. You know, don't surf in their territory. I remember, and there's a show called Eastbound and Down where Kenny Powers, you know, he's like boogie boarding, and someone runs into him while he's boogie boarding, and he tries to cut their little other boogie board or something, and like he can't do it. Anyway, dude, this place is whack. You'll go tip PewDiePie, Montana man. PewDiePie. Oh my god, man. Tim Mosley's holding and adding since last year in December. He was new then and still feel new now. He says, thank you for your continued education. Ray, one day soon he will trade to his advantage. Tim Mosley, man, just patience, man. Continue investing in yourself every day. If you truly want to learn this world, you can. Okay, it just takes time and commitment. All right, that's it. Of course, man. Coin Savvy, that's what I was talking about. The Swayze Express. I think Swayze Express was not a thing until Trailer Park Boys. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, of course I saw it. And Bubbles loses his freaking mind, and Conky comes back. God. Yeah, Montana, Eastbound and Down is awesome, dude. Because it's not, you know, it's done, but I can still watch it, man. But yeah, dude. I love Eastbound. It's like one of my favorite shows, seriously. Because it's a comedy, but HBO does such a wonderful job making it a little bit deeper, right? Where you can sit there introspectively and think, man, you know, they got a little bit of that steel guitar playing when he's talking, you know, like when he's like narrating towards the end of the episode and stuff like that. I love that, dude. Don't let the dingo baby eat you. Eat yo baby, Julia Guskuski. Why would you care? You live in Russia, so in Siberia. Keith Currency Committee says surfing territory is dangerous. He was in Santa Cruz, California last year and saw how aggressive they were over it. Really, man? Really? So I guess things haven't changed, have they, man? Is anyone going to hate me for saying that I don't think that Demi Moore, I think, is that the girl? Whoever that girl was, I didn't think she was... Meh? Yeah, I think she was meh. Anyone else going to be mad at me for saying that? Just saying. Conky! Oh, I love it, man. Ricky loses his mind and shoots Conky. Oh my god, dude. Is that Lori Petty? I think is that the girl from the movie? I don't know. Yeah, that was her. Okay. Yeah, that was her. I don't know, man. It's still just like... Whatever, man. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? Eye of the beholder. So. Alright, dude. Probes, man. Hey, look, Probes to Halloween. This is gonna be ghetto, right? This is Probes Halloween. Alright, him and his buddies. I can't get this stuff over. Come on, man. Dude. Really? There it is. You can see it, man. They're all the president's masked man. Alright. You were Clinton, man. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, Lori Petty, typing that on Google Images is not settling. You will not like it. If you look at Google Images and Lori Petty, you can be like, That shootout, wow. This building, say the most phenomenal acoustics you see, man. What? Tim Mosley says he was an extra in Eastbound and Down Season 3, Myrtle Beach, baby. One of his greatest Hollywood experiences also ended his want to act. Really, why? Tell us, Tim Mosley. I'd like to hear more about this, dude. Tell us. You want to get in Discord with me and tell your story? I'll allow it, dude. I think chat would like to hear it too, right? Letter Kenny. Crypto Church, what's up, dude? Is there a ticker, or are you talking? Is that a movie? I don't even know, man. I'm kind of off on that. Letter Kenny. No, it's on Hulu, so it's got to be a show, right? Canada. Yeah, Jason K. Yeah, it's down, man. I'll get it back up. I just haven't had time. Booty is in the hands of the beholder. No, booty is in the hands of the holder. Yes, that it is. You tip Lori mad Benjis if she streamed instead of me. Yeah, Montana. I agree. I'm sure she would receive a copious, way more amount of tips than me, right? I agree with that totally. Erwin, coffee time. No beers for me tonight. Will Mr. Sabine get me, John man? Yep, that's definitely Benito. Holy crap, man. Are we still live? Yes, Anthony. Yes, we're live still. We're live, man. Wonderful. Benito just took a dab. Congratulations, man. Benito, man, let me ask.
Is that a joint?
No.
Is that a joint?
What? Whoa, man. Sorry. Holy crap. I'm freaking out, dude. Letter Kenny is kind of like Trailer Park Boys, but a more sophisticated humor, some would say. Well, I think anything is more sophisticated than Trailer Park Boys coin savvy, so it's kind of like, you know, right? What's up, Bad Weather Trading, dude? Good to see you, dude. Thanks for chiming in. Holy crap, dude. Alright, let's go with that VTI real quick, alright? The scary times. Here is your VTI, man. Alright, we're at our first confluence zone between 121 and 123. Second confluence zone between 104 and 106, and the next area is between the 50% retrace and the 100% retrace down here. That's your third confluence zone. All right, so be interesting to see how we hold here. Negative momentum. Look at the volume that on our daily close, man. Terrible. Something else we've looked at is we have the largest monthly volume candle right now, and got multiple days left.
Is that a joint?
I'm back to being a ghost. Julia won't let me buy her dinner, so fuck this place. See you another time.
Julia, what have you done? Sacrilege. Montana, thanks for the 420 contribution to Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. John, are we going some Baba, man? Hey, look, I just got onto Julia. Let it be known for the record, I got onto Julia. Okay, man. Just saying, dude. Sorry, writing these down. Sorry. Okay, we'll go to the monthly real quick so you can see how insane this is, dude. I don't know why that didn't save. What the heck, man? Alright, y'all understand. This is to this date. You know, and this VTI has only been around since 2001. Oh, only 2001, man. That's like no time, right? This red candle right here is $20.55. Never in the history have we seen a red candle this large. Not even in the worst of times of the VTI have we seen anything like this. Okay, one red monthly candle. Not even close, man. Now we had the wick, dude. This crazy stuff, whatever. Which was, yeah, at one time, I guess, larger. But look at the flash crash or something. Hey, Probes, man. Probes, this is what you were talking about, dude. This is literally what you were talking about. 2010, this crazy wickage, right? Anyway, so, but other than the wickage, nothing even comes close, alright? So far, we're showing that the first time in the history of this this 10-year-long bull trend, we've never seen 2 out of 3 monthly candles be bearish engulfing. Sorry, it's never happened in this run. So yeah, man, it's just scary times going on this market, this stock market. My God, but you were warned. You were warned. Well, actually, the VTI didn't even have a bearish engulfing, but the major stock market, or the other major indices did have bearish engulfing, like the SPX. Totally had a bearish engulfing candle into a bearish. Look, this was like a green candle, indecision candle, and so 1, 2, 3, indecision candle in November, and there you go, man. So that's 2 out of 3, whatever. What did we just read? Yep, Melissa, what's going on? What's happening? Buying on earnings report, dude, unless you have some serious insider information, it's gambling, man. Okay, serious gambling. If you're just going off of a hunch of earnings, hey, if you've done research and you think that the implied volatility is going to go to the upside, that's fine. But if you don't have any data, it's just gambling. You're flipping a coin. All right. Miss Cantoma says he'll have dinner with you, Montana man. So anyway, your last line of defense on the VTI, I think, is really at 117, 118, right? You got that 50-month moving average that you'll probably hit in time, 119.79, 120. Remember, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, that is a blend of the 4 big ones, right? NASDAQ, Russell 2000, Dow Jones, SPX, right? So this is just kind of like showing you what the overall total stock market looks like. SPX, not good, man. Not good here either, right? SPX. Sorry, man. Just look, we had a channel on the daily. Just dumped through it so bad. This is what I was talking about, though. 2 out of 3 candles. Bearish engulfing, right? Influence area is 2370, 2400, 2050, 2070, and then 1500, 1539. All right. These are your 3 confluence zones. All right. We got to. How do we get that, man? Like we do. Oh, okay, I see what I did. Anyway, so swing low to swing high. The swing low from February 16 to the all-time highs. So you go from different swing lows, 2 different major swing lows, and you get the same swing highs. And that's how you can figure out your confluence. And confluence means you have like a much stronger possibility of a reversal there. Helps with confirmation of your Fibonacci, all right? Pretty sweet, man. So you're saying there's a chance, Crypto W. Simon Birch says, I'm sorry if you're invested in the stock market now. Yeah, well, he's a little late, okay? James McGurtman, a little late. Whew. 1 Bitcoin for Amazon. Dude. Oh my God. The 25 Sat Club. That's right, 25 Satoshis, all in, baby. All in. Juliet, was that appropriate? Oh, it feels so good! What does that mean, till you bend? Is that some sort of Australian sexual thing? Alright. You go, man. But this is extreme. stuff going on. We are, and here's the thing about the SPX, the S&P 500. You're it, man. This is it, man. This is like a last line of defense, in my opinion, for this upsloping channel. You're at the bottom. You close the weekly, monthly, daily. I mean, the monthly isn't closed, but like you closed Friday, right at the bottom. See what I'm saying, man? I mean, it's just like perfect. It's perfect where we closed. So nice. Don't fall below it, dude. Do not fall below 24, 15, 16. I mean, you could run around there, but look at we're so oversold. 22 on the RSI. Your MACD. The negative momentum is continuing to build. It's the largest level of negative momentum we've seen since February. Wow. That was the largest spike of volatility in the history of the stock market back here. This crazy spike. But, wow, man. Oh, that's right, Baba, man. Baba, honey, Baba, man. Absolutely obliterated. You're right, dude. Okay. Back down to the lows we saw in October, late October. Okay, wicking off of it. For now, hey, what do we do from a swing high to swing low? When we retrace between 38% retrace and 50%, right? Which is that common area. We gapped up. It looks like a bearish Marabazoo, and just sold off, just snapped right through it. Okay, so Curdle Bear, you better hold here, man. And this is the crazy thing about BABA, man. It started retracing before it filled a gap. The gap that's at 126.28. I bet there's good reason to believe we very well could see 126.28 next week. Sorry, y'all. My bad. I didn't have my thing. My deck was not in the right folder, and I couldn't mute my mic in time. I got wrecked, dude. I'm sorry. I wrecked y'all's ears. That was my bad. I tried to get away from the microphone. So anyway, 126.28 is the gap fill. I just don't see why we couldn't get down there. We very well could. You also have 119.63, which is a November of 2014 high. Alright, but dude, there's just not much support on the way down. After that, you're looking at 110. 110's another swing high back from September 2016, dude. Good God. Just not looking good for you. Sorry, just gonna lose chat now. Y'all need Jesus, says Benjamin. Godless heathens, man. Bless you too, as there's man right back at you, man. Alright. Okay, please. Hey, man. Been live now for 2 hours. If you're enjoying this live stream, please hit the like button, the bell, that sub. Thanks so much for being here. Y'all are amazing. Posting weed pick, weed is the devil's lettuce and all that. I don't know, man. Zedzerbs, probably. I don't think you'll get banned. I just don't know if it's probably a good idea, right? So, I don't know, man. Devil's lettuce, not even once. I don't know the guidelines. You get maybe in the community IRL you can post it or something. I just don't know. I have not even thought about it. Hey, never in my life have I thought about, hey, what happens when someone posts a picture of marijuana in the Discord? It's going to be unprecedented, I'll tell you that, okay? So. Yeah, we've looked at a lot, dude. A lot of stuff going on tonight. A lot of stuff. It's only 15 plus charts tonight. It's pretty good, man. Pretty good for a Saturday night chill session, right? I don't know. Is that chat seems like it might be getting a little, you know. Should we quit while we're ahead? Maybe. I don't know. What should we do, chat? Okay, I don't want this to escalate. All right, I want us to all be cool, man. We're all a big community. Okay. Oh my God, 2 Bits is coming in with the owl, man. Dude, thanks so much for the owl, 2 Bits. 133. Area code 133. The owls. Owl country, dude. Owl country. Time to get drunk, Greg. Yeah, sorrow. I don't want to see everyone fighting, and chat makes me sad, man. It makes me kind of sad in pants. Okay. Very sad in pants, okay? Y'all? Okay. Anyway. OT probably the same as the rest. You're probably right, Crypto Tracker Bit. You're probably right, dude. Things like never even moved, man. Oh, such a dumpster fire. Dude, it's just so bad, man. Jeez, dude, what a joke. Looking at something. Oh, that's nice. All I'm seeing right now, Crypto Trucker, man, kind of interesting, is... So it's like ONT, right? We had that huge down-slipping channel. I mean, look, the sell-off, man. Ridiculous, man. Then we just, like, ran up, and then we just selling off, man, like a scrub, right? And then where did we bottom? We found a bottom right here. The March 18th bloody Sunday. Remember Saturday? March 17th, that was St. Patrick's Day, drinking green beer, getting drunk, watching the bearish hurricane. The whole market was like selling off so bad. Look, that's where we bounced, man. But look when we bounced, man. It was a heart line of a channel that support. And where are we going, man? We're so pathetic, man. We're just like, I can't break it, man. I can't break above the down-subbing resistance, man, like a scrub. All right? No matter what I do, I just can't do it. All right? Set up an alert. Sure, set up an alert. You're the braid to the upside. That's good. But then you got to look. You got to test the 50 MA. A lot of times you're going to hit down and then fail and sell off again, man. Just ONT, yeah, just like the rest. So, you're right. It's true. Can we just get along and remember that Patrick Swayze ripped? Well, oh my God, never mind. Not even gonna. I thought we were gonna say. I thought you were gonna working up to something wholesome, and I just believed you, Benjamin. Then, all right, never mind. Mama said Tim was a man. Okay. Sure thing, Crypto Trucker, man. Anytime, dude. Of course. Always. Always, man. But with Baba, man, expect 126. I just don't know why we would not hit that in some time, man. We're so close to it now. Why would we not just not fill the gap? Anyway. But the ascending riding wedge, man, how beautiful is this ascending riding wedge, dude? Just so fantastic. I can't even believe it, man. Only if it danks, may you post pics of the marijuanas. I think you misspelled marijuana, dude. It's a US at the end, okay? It's a new thing, okay? One's Bitcoin. Cash gonna pop, man. 2 bits, I believe that already happened, man. I believe that already occurred. Like 50% a couple days ago, right? I don't know what baby babaya gas is, man. Okay, I don't even know what that is. Holy crap, man. That's nuts. Alaskan summertime, there's still snow. That doesn't look very summery to me, man. All I know about Alaska summers is the crazy mosquito plague up there, dude. There's just so many mosquitoes. You will die of just getting bitten. All right, blood loss. I don't know who Baba Yaga is, man. All right, just don't understand. Again, you know it. What? You think it's gonna, when's it gonna pop again is what you're saying? What's up, Lee Quick? Welcome. You feel it in the atmosphere, dude? BCH, man. Jeez. It's hilarious, man. On Coinbase, look, dude, you wanna see the chart on Coinbase, how pathetic it is, man? Like, oh my god, dude, it's up 50%, but such a dumpster fire, dude. Such a freaking dumpster fire. Okay. Alright. Here you go, man. That's all I can do for you. There's not much, like, you can't do this and that. Sorry, not gonna work. To include everything within the parameters of a channel, you have to go at the touch point 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. Do we have any divergence, man? Not really. I mean, look, man, you could say, look on the daily, the lower lows, and you got lower levels of negative momentum, and you actually made the lowest low with positive momentum. There you go. But other than that, that's about it. There's no real pattern. You look at this, man. Gap down or something? How? What? I mean, I know it's like Coinbase, you know, the split or whatever, you know, the forks, ABC, find out what it means to SV, you know, that thing, but whatever, dude. Super bearish. We can do this though. Swing high, swing low, right? Candle close to candle close. 23% retrace. That's it, man. That's a 23% retrace. That's nothing, dude. Your first common retrace, $288. I just don't know if we'll get there, man. I don't know. Dude, it's so weird with this, the craziness of it being like forked and dead, kind of, right? Mr. Spinner says women from Alaska are weird. Is this true? Is this anecdotal? Or have there been studies done on Alaskan women? Bill Battle, he's coming out with a new movie. Oh my god. Why is the sky blue? Why are boobs good? It just is. 2 bits, okay. Have you learned nothing? Quintabi. Fib channel tool. Correct. Okay, man. Alright, man. Sweet. Playing out this song again, dude. No way. Not playing it. I'm sorry. I'm not doing Braveheart. I don't think I'm doing this song either. That song sounds stupid. Just give me a second, alright? Whatever, dude. Sure thing, 2 bits. Yep, exactly. Exactly. Go back to Bitcoin. Alright, Bitcoin. Continuing just slightly up slope on very little volume right now. Right, impulse up sloping, consolidation. Just floating along using that 25% trend line as the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel as a resistance, and the down sloping resistance looms. Okay, we've also got that upon us, so it's gonna be tough. From the high to low, we've retraced 62% of the way, and we've rejected it 3 times, 4 times on 60 minute. No, I'm sorry. 3 times on the 60 minute and 2 times on the 4 hour. That's what it was. All right. So. Being pumped? What you talking about, dude? Who pumps what, man? All right. I'm just confused, man. All right, I don't even know what that means. Oh, fake news. What is this, dude? Okay. Sweet, man. Dude, I'm kind of dying now, I guess, right? I was looking for, I don't know, man. Looking for, adversity. Adversity, man. Oh my god. What's up, Kenny Lamb? Sorry. Looks like Lauren almost. You want to ask Seth what works best for him next week? You'd like one last blowout? No, I mean, I relayed the message to him, right? I think he just might be, you know, sleeping or something. Okay, so anyway, here's your Bitcoin upsloping channel, and that's it, dude. Okay, upsloping channel. He'll be here when he gets here, says Yulia. Ethereum to Bitcoin showing extreme levels of bullish divergence, dude. Like, It's insane, man. Okay. Absolutely insane. On the RSI, anyway. Good God. Nice pop the upside, right? Beautiful. Yeah, I mean, the double bottom, yeah, it was probably less than 5% below the previous bottom, so. Oh my God, dude. No way, dude. Freaking Gandalf stuff, man.
Past Montana's bedtime tip $250. Montana, go to bed. The booze in your chat don't mix well, son. Sober Montana is better. I can't stay. Peace, y'all. Montana bedtime.
Oh, Montana. Dude, thanks so much for the $250 past Montana's bedtime. But it seems Montana, jeez, man, his health pool grew to 49,000, dude. Good God, man. Mega boss. Dude, thanks past Montana's bedtime, man, for the $250. They did this, man. Okay. Adam and Eve, Kenny Lamb. Yes, indeed. We have an Adam and Eve, right? The Adam V, right? And the Eve U. Yes. Kenny Lamb. Did you this, man? Yes, sir. So that's it, dude. Less than 5% on your set. And you know what the other rule is, Kenny Lamb? Bulkowski says you have better performing, double bottoms when the right bottom is slightly lower than the first bottom. Huh? Kenny man? And we're also breaking down some resistance right now. Fantastic. Kenny to Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. Sweet. Yeah, I don't know, kind of different, interesting, right, man? What just occurred, okay. Mr. Kanatemo says, Seth is the Dark Souls 4 maximum difficulty final boss inverse cheat codes. Inverse cheat codes, man? What is an inverse cheat code? Wouldn't an inverse cheat code literally be turning your difficulty up, right? I think so. Man, this Christmas tree's getting big, man. Getting real big. Oh, man. Alright, what happened? Like, what the? Oh, what is happening, man? I feel so good!
They're going to bed.
Tip boss tipped $500. Eggplant.
Okay, we now have a 30,000 HP tip boss now, man. I've got an inkling that would have maybe been. Was that Montana? Or was that?
Okay, I need to know when you back next week. I will go yard with you Friday or set you holla.
Is that a joint?
Montana, thanks for the 420 contribution, dude. So, things might be happening, man. Things might be happening, certainly. So, I'm probably going to Los Angeles next weekend. To, and really, like, anyone is invited to Los Angeles. Like, he wants to come to Los Angeles and, you know, fend for themselves and say so. You're more than welcome to hang out. But we're going to excuse me, my God, man. A few of us are going to be hanging in LA and doing things. So it's going to be very tough. I'll be streaming IRL some. But Don't want to give the exact dates. I got to be careful, right? My address has been doxed. Do you understand that? So I have to be very careful about when I'm going, when I'm staying. I've got video cameras. I've got crazy security, alarms, multiple neighbors and stuff. So, I mean, I'm not worried about that, but I have to be still careful about how I disclose when I leave and when I come back and stuff. So, yeah, that's pretty much something happening next week. All right. Yeah, the G5. I'm going to the G5, man. The summit, dude. Gonna go see all the peoples. Okay, man. One Man Army's in LA now. Well, dude. There's a lot of people in California. All right. They love crypto that are part of this show. So, we'll get it coordinated later in this week. Yeah, Montana, man. Dude, hey, are you... Hold on. So it's just, I need to figure out exactly, so the logistics aren't quite done. They're not literally done yet, okay? Montana, man. But, I'm streaming every day. So, we're getting everything taken care of, literally, like, we're in the works of it right now. So the logistics are being done kind of as we speak. And like today, last night, been discussing the plan, all right? Yeah, Montana, man. Take me out sailing. Oh my God, man. Kang Logan's so bullish on next week. Yeah, dude. One Man Army. Well, that is quite disappointing, man. Quite disappointing. 2 bits. Thanks for the Kappas, man. Thanks for the Kappas. Tim Mosley wants to be a bodyguard, dude. Come on, dude. Come be the bodyguard, man. For all of us, Kangs. Probes knows Teddy KGB from Rounders, though, so that's it, dude. Probes gets it, man. That mad nuisance. No, we're working on the logistics of where we're staying, what day I'm flying out, and what day I'm coming back. That's all being worked on right now. Being communicated. Anthony's in San Diego. So once we have more certified stuff, and it's because I don't saying it on stream. Again, my address, my social security number, my cell phone number, everything had been doxed. Montana, if you didn't know this, man, I have a psycho out there. Okay? Psycho. And he has been trying to extort money from me and stuff, right? So that's literally happened in the past week. Thanks, Crypto Trucking, man. Alright, DJ, man. Have a good one, dude. Yes, Montana, yes. 100%. What is this? Plan equals Coca-Cola and big booty hose and John Mayer and long walks on the beach. Yes. My God, man. It's gonna be crazy, man. Grau is Russian. He's all in Russian, dude. I don't think he's here. He can't even understand English anymore, alright? There's Jeff, the American version of him. No Koreatown. I've been to Koreatown. I've been to Chinatown. You did not? Yeah, man, of course. Montana, man. Of course, dude. Of course. I just got to, like, literally, I think it's just LA. Like, we're going to LA and we're going to hang out in LA. Beyond that, he got my social security number? I don't know, dude. Like, dude, there's ways people can do it, man. Yeah, it is crazy. It's like literally crazy. Yes, it's really crazy. Okay. So, I had that going on with my grandmother being dead, right? Burying my grandmother with this crazy psycho, trying to ruin my life. They don't tell you when you sign up to be a streamer. They don't tell you long term what can happen, right? The bad stuff. Okay. So, we can definitely do that, Montana man. All right, the Pogs, man. Yes, CX scuffed exactly. I'll never go back to Bama after the adventure. He'll just stay, say F it. Let's have everything sent to me, man. I'll just have it all delivered. Alright. But yeah, I might even get a house sitter just because of the circumstances of what's happened kind of recently, alright? No, Vergus Games, but I did freeze on my credit. So, I'm safe there at least. Hold on, talking real quick. LA Live. Yeah, so, okay, it seems like this is going to turn into some sort of different thing, okay? If you're out there in that way, we can definitely make this happen. I think that'd be a good idea, man. I think it'd be fun. I think it'd be a lot of fun. Because, dude, like, so many people are in Cali. So many people are in Cali. Hold on. Just hang tight. Montana man. Crap. So I know the Discord thing's right all messed up. Montana, can you email me, man? Can you email me? Look in the description and email me, dude. Okay. Equifax lost everyone's social security number to a breach. Yeah, no, I remember the stock price too. What happened to it, dude? Or that was the other one. Spirian or whatever. Okay, this seems like the safest idea based on everything that's kind of been going on is the way we'll do it is like what we're gonna probably maybe do is like when I get there on a certain day, I'm gonna go live IRL stream live and let everyone know where we are, and that's where, and it's like you're gonna know it's coming, so like you're not gonna know exactly until we're there, and that is literally a safety issue, okay? Because, dude, you have no idea. 150 people watching right now. Who knows? Like, there's probably some crazy psycho guy in his underwear right now watching me like, I hate Ray. Like, dude, I don't know, man. Like, nothing is out of the realm of possibility. So I have to protect myself and the people that I'm with, right? So that's probably what we're gonna do. Yes, Montana. Yes, email me so we can discuss and exchange information. Okay. Back to where Ethereum belongs. Oh, hey, sorry, Kenny, man, my bad, dude. Things started happening. You see this right here? There's your Adam and Eve double bottom, but the weird thing is, like, where's that discernible pinnacle, right? Is it up here? If that's the case, man, we're not even close. It's a potential double bottom until we break that 37,341 sats, right? So we fell below that 1618, so bad. All right, so that is a double bottom. It truly is, man, dude. Talking about a major daily swing high to swing low. You gotta be kidding me, man. The 23% retrace is up here, dude. This could have a long way to go. Your common retraces, dude, between 47,629 and 62,000. Holy crap, man. Well, here it was, man. Here was the bullish divergence on the MACD, or excuse me, the RSI. Wow, MACD, RSI. None of that on the MACD. Broken the downside resistance for now, but the close has not happened yet. We have not closed on this daily yet. Okay, okay. Tim Mosley, get wrecked, dude. Mobius is a serial killer. Wow, a serial killer. Wow. Carhartt hoodie. All right, man. Yeah, so there's like probably someone from the guy from Billy Madison. Exactly, dude. Should think Kenny Lamb, man. What's up, Diz? Oh, the massive Adam and Eve? Okay, I guess I kind of get what you're saying, right? You're talking about here, Adam. Maybe an Eve, right? Maybe. Dude, if that's the case, man. That's extreme, dude. I don't know, man. Normally patterns are pauses and trends, right? This is like the whole chart. So, dude, either way, critical support, bounce the upside. But you can see the shorter term, right? You can see the shorter term V and U. And really, man, I don't think there's anything wrong with looking at the possibility of seeing prices get here. But we broke out of the downsloping channel. We're double bottoming. The divergence is there. Let's see it, man. Let's see us get up there. That could yield us a great return. ETH and BTC, right? Sure thing, Kenny, man. That's right, Desmond. That's right. When's this going down? Next week in Montana, sometime. All right, email me. We'll have it taken care of. We'll talk about it. Whew. That's right. Everything's big. The 2 bits, man. Sub on YouTube, it is, man. Thank you. Was there news on Ethereum? I don't think so. One Man Army. I don't think so. I've not heard anything. Okay. So, real quick, let's go to the US dollar, the Canadian dollar. A huge downtrend. But look at the nice look within the downtrend. You have a beautiful uptrend going. All right, from your major swing high to swing low, you're hitting the 886. Right, 886 perfectly. Look at the bearish divergence. But man, you're like like you're continuing to run up, man. Like nothing can't be stopped. Can't stop, won't stop. What is this weekend? Trips to Disneyland? Kang Logan? Yeah, dude. All in. Good God. That's just crazy. Look, man, you had bullish divergence here, pop of the upside, but now you're showing the bearish divergence. It's just, like, man, just volume picking up too, making higher prices. Crazy, man. Let's see if we could run all the way up to $1.37 up here. $1.37. That's the top trend line of the equidistant channel. Wow. The dollar looks so strong. Yeah, dude, because it like bearishly engulfed, it got destroyed, and then came back up, almost bullishly engulfed. Haramied, but still struggling the 20-day moving average. We looked at the DXY earlier today. All right. Dude, we've looked at so many charts tonight. Holy crap, man. Anyway, The laptop re. Alright, man. Montana, I'll once I get like the logistics down, man, I'll holler at you. Alright. Much love, dude. Much love. Bikram yoga. You trade in the Beamer for a Prius? What are you talking about, Jet, man? Yes, sir. Of course, man. Of course, dude. Thank you for your time and patience, man. Okay, because like it's not, you know, dude. Like, I know I'm not very fast on chat because I don't. If I'm fast on chat, I'm missing out on like 75% of chat, and it's like, what's the point then? You know, engaging. I think what I might do though is actually skedaddle, right? What? A birthday? Ricky, what are you talking about, dude? You heard there was a birthday? I don't understand it. I don't understand. Germany's second largest stock exchange listing Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, and Litecoin on crypto trading platform. That's pretty amazing news, Crypto W, man. Thank you so much for the update, chat. You hear that? That's incredible news. All right. Oh, is it Ricky's birthday? Nah. Hey, Ricky, man. Let's make sure. Let's get confirmation, okay? Ricky, well, I don't understand. How does that translate to it being Ricky's birthday the way he said it? I heard there was a birthday in the house. He can't hear it if it's his own birthday, right? What's up, Mobius, man?
Can you look at XMart if you haven't already?
Sure, man. Thanks for the 419, dude. Much love, dude. Hey, what pop, dude? Hey, the bullish divergence. We broke the downsloping channel, but here we are, man. Here we're hitting the 200 MA, the top trend line of the equidistant channel. What's the equidistant channel, man? What are you talking about, dude? It's up here, man. It's up here. We had a very small false breakout. Sold off the symmetrical triangle. Measure move of the symmetrical triangle was down at 12,500. I fell just a little bit below that, and we've since bounced, but the bounce is nothing, dude. Nothing. We already looked at it from the swing high to swing low. We've retraced, not even 38% of the way. 38% retrace with 13,976. We're currently sitting at 13,361. All right. It's mine? No, it is not mine. It is not mine. All right. You were shooting for 420, dude. Mobius, man. I can't believe it. Fine. Mobius, man. I will allow it.
Is that a joint?
There you go, dude. All right. It's Rick's birthday every day, man. Bearsley and Gulf. Yes, yes. All right. So here we are, man. It's been live for 2 hours and 40 minutes. We're at a crossroads. I can get another beer, and we could extend this show on for a little bit longer, or I can just get off stream chat. Okay, 150 of y'all here. I'm gonna let y'all play Fable. You know, it's like a video game where you control the character. What is the character gonna do? Is the character gonna get a beer? Is he gonna go off stream? It's like whatever, man. I can do kind of whatever I want, man, or whatever you want. Doesn't matter. Common retraces, remember, between the 382 and the 618, between 13,976 and 15,421. But again, dude, look, you're hitting that like a brick wall. It's not just a downsloping resistance of the huge equidistant channel you've been in truly since. I mean, the top trend line was April. We're hitting that. Also 200 MA on the 4 hour. Wow, dude, wow. But the bullish divergence set us free and found us a bottom to at least break to the upside. Okay. Let's have a dark cryon. What's going on in Bitcoin? What's the situation? We talked about it a multitude of times in here. I guess we can go back to it in a few. All right. You was on a walkabout, said Surfman. Was used. I'm gonna become so LA. The prototypical douche LA guy traits. What are the prototypical douche LA guy traits, Probes, man? Which are they, man? Let me know. I need to know. Beer and stream. Beer. Sagro says beer. Beer Lowenbra. Sims TA with mid-tray. Hey. If I do Sims, Julie, that means I have to speak in their language.
Is that a joint?
Drink another one, Mitch brother man. Kingzoon.
Gangs, man. Oh, dude. Kingston. Alright. Hold on a sec. I kind of have to break the seal again. I don't even think that's real. But go to the bathroom again anyway. The seal's been broken. Oh yeah, if I stay, you'll cover both Sagro and Julia's airfare to LA. Oh man. What y'all thinking? Hold on, I'll let y'all I'll let that ruminate. I'll let y'all ruminate. Hold on a sec. Here's a fun proposition that really doesn't matter, and it most certainly probably won't happen. But if the jar fills up, when the jar is officially full, I'll chug whatever is left of this beer by the time it gets there. So obviously, the sooner it filled would be the best, be like more funny, because then it's like, you get it, man? Do you get it? Because I would not have consumed any of the beer, right? So I'm pouring it right now. Okay. See. But again, what I'm expecting is literally nothing. I'm expecting it to not fill, and there to be no chug, and it'd be fun, right? Fun either way. Win-win for everyone. Who's stalking me? Dude, I don't know who's stalking me. Some crazy psycho off the internet, dude. There's plenty of them, man. There's plenty of them. Okay. It's all good then, man. I've taken the precautions I've needed. Like, anyone who's dealt with this, I mean, the only good news, I guess, about it is there are plenty of people that have dealt with the same thing I'm going through. All right, that's the only good thing. Okay. Okay, so cheers. I'm here. Yeah, just got back in the stove. Did you, man? SIM card? No, I'm good. I don't even have a SIM card, dude. All right. This is most certainly, this is 100% not a double IPA, Benjamin. So we're good there, dude. We're good. Very good. But again, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter. XMR, awesome. And that one, let's do. We're getting up there, and charts looked at tonight. Good God. Yeah, over 20 charts looked at. Man. Over 20 thorough analysis. And I don't even think we did not put the... Okay, that's another one. Did not put that one on there. Some of them I just like... Oh, I looked at this one and just like hit my scene, and then we looked at it, right? Chugging beer stew filling. Eh. Hey, Alvin Alex, man. Thanks for so many YouTube gifs, man. Pog Life, dude. Pog Life Montana, man. And thanks for the new subs today, the likes, the contributions, y'all. It's just overwhelming support day in, day out. It means a lot, okay? Y'all are amazing. Is Ethereum going to do 150? Gino? Come back to Ethereum. Here's the thing about Ethereum, man, alright? This 134 area is a 38% retrace from a major swing high, your daily swing high, to swing low. 38% retrace right here, whatever. That's the 382, 134%. 50% retrace is 151.60, okay? So that's Dow's theory. After your impulse down, when you begin to really retrace, you most commonly retrace 50% of the way. So maybe if we're to, you know, go by Dow's theory, but sometimes that just never happens, that the market is overwhelmingly bearish. Okay, that's it. That's it. Sure, man. Yeah, US dollar pair, though. You know, people are talking about end of the day money and stuff, like US dollar making more cash. But yeah, you can acquire more Bitcoin too. Looking at the BTC pairs as well. Yeah, no, the BTC pairs, like the ETH to BTC pair. Yeah, it looks up. It's breaking out, right? It's breaking out of that downsloping channel, poised to continue running, right? Montana, man, don't do it, man. Don't punish me, man. George says, oh, look, Bitcoin moved a whole dollar, dude. All ended on the dollar, man. Still holding this, still holding within the parameters of the upsloping channel at the 1618. It looks like that. Let's see how it goes. 60-minute bearish hammer. Oh, were you bullish Harami? No? No, bullish engulfed. Bullishly engulfed. Wow. 60 minutes, they're not really a big deal. But man, what a nice move up on some good volume. There's no divergence up here, but you're just at a critical area of resistance. Okay. Thanks, coin index cap. Much love, dude. Thanks, Kenny, man. Well, thanks for bringing it. Thanks for bringing to the attention the Bitcoin chart, the Bitcoin pairs, man. Just I don't know if I'm smart. I just love doing charts, and people try to, for some reason, take it further than that. That I love charts and like swing trading, and have been learning about this stuff for over 6 years, and people want to take it further and say, "Oh man, you didn't do it for a living, trading for a living, man." It's like, yeah, dude, did it on the side, man. There's nothing wrong with having a different style. Like, you can make money on the side. You don't have to do it for a living, okay? You don't have to. So Patel, Aaron, or is Aaron Patel? I don't even know any who has first name of Patel, but Aaron, man, year-end price of Ethereum, dude, that's not easy, man. Okay, that's like a week, probably ranged between 117 and 135, probably somewhere in there. Okay. Benjamin, evidently BitConnect still has some sort of value. Yeah, dude, some value. All right. Are you kidding? Dark Cryon, man. I don't have to do anything to piss someone off, man. I piss them off by just existing, man. Okay. That's it, dude. And that's the way normal. Dude, think about what he's doing, right? I don't know, man. That's cool. That's cool, dude. Anyway, God, man, this itches, dude. I'm hungry. Okay. So just remember, 134.79. 151 or 168.40 that's your common retrace zone. We're soon approaching the beginning of it, okay? Oh hell, Carlos, man. Yeah, dude. Sure thing, Aaron Patel, man. But I mean, that, like, fortunately, I can actually give a year-end price prediction now because it's like a week away, man, right? Like 8, 9, 10 days, whatever it is. But yeah, dude, anywhere probably within this channel is fair. Okay. Hungry, nose itching, drank. Alright, anyway. I don't know, man. I'm kind of like kind of like dead, man. Alright, I'm just gonna like sit back, relax. I don't know. What, dude? Should we just do it like this, man? It's the guy from Billy Madison. Billy Langford, is that you? Should I just do this, man? Probably not, right? Hey, man. I'm IRL streaming, dude. Hey, man. I'm an IRL streamer, dude. What's up, man? What's up? So, yeah, dude. What are y'all doing? So, what is it the IRL streamers do? Anyone? Does anyone have any advice for me? So, we're just hanging out. If you want to see, we got my Viking helm in the wizard hat and Batman boy in the middle. Just used what last night, 2 nights ago. So I mean, what do you do? So so far tonight we've looked at should I do it like this? I need reading glasses, right? Tron Connect, Litecoin, USO, Platinum, Gold, Nikon, Drip, Gush, Baba, VTI, XLM, Bitcoin Cash, US dollar to the Canadian dollar, DXY, XMR, Spider. Then we did like what, Litecoin? I already talked about. No, we did like XLM, It's already on the list. Sorry, we did Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum like a billion times, and then we like retraced a bunch of different times on all kinds of stuff, right? So, I'm so white. Yes, I am so white, man. I can't believe it. White I am, man. Becky, sushi. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe it just bumped into me. Does it not seem weird to see me in this light, y'all? This is me, man. This is me. Oh, dude, I'll be doing a cool stream from LA. The Kang Gang. Just can't tell, man. Bro, you need a bump? Got any dash? Yeah, I got dash at $1,100, man, per coin, dude. Hold, dude. Hold on. I screenshotted something, okay? It aged very, very well, alright? One of the dumbest things you could have ever done on Dash would be hold, okay? Terrible idea. And I want justification of people being like, dude, whatever, man. I got in at like $60 or something. It's like, okay. It's still stupid that you held. Well, let me see if I can find it, man. It's in my phone, man. Dude, we're doing IRL stream. Whatever, man. It's over, dude. It's over. God forbid I did like 25 plus charts. Not good enough. I know. I know. Where's this merch at, man? I still don't know, dude. I can't remember. It was a while back, man. It was like merch about Dash or something. Right? I don't know. Nope, that's not it. Dude. I can't catch a break here, man. On my pictures today. I know I did not delete it. Maybe I did. Oh, no, yeah. No, I didn't. Sweet. Look, man. Look how... Who would ever wear this crap, dude? $45 hoodie. Just hold it. Just hodl it. Right? Just hodl it. Dash. And Digibyte is... I don't even understand. That's not even Digibyte. Oh, maybe that is Digibyte, dude. What does Dash logos look? What does Dash's logo look like? Hold on. They look almost identical, don't they? Oh my. Okay. Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, I don't know their stupid logos. This is Dash, and this is Digibyte. Are you kidding me, dude? How stupid. They're so similar. These guys need to get their stupid logos together, man. They're like almost the exact same, dude. Sorry. Wow. Oops. My bad, dude. Alright. You'll give me 30, man? A little late for selling Dash, dude. Dash was $1,100, what I'm saying. It's dumpster fire. It's been one of the worst sell-offs in crypto this year. I'm bigger than the Christmas tree, however. Is it serves? Yeah, man, totally. Oh my god, man. Yeah, dude, Miss Kento, we're gonna do something. I'm probably doing an eating stream, right? Gooberware, yeah, dude, 45 bucks, man. How do you even justify that? Yeah, hodl the D. Exactly, that's what they're trying to tell us to do, man. You thought it was Duke? Yeah, it was Duke, man. Hold the Duke, man. Yeah, something like that. Something about the whatever Peter North's candle. Yeah. Okay, man. Well, looks like the whole chugging thing backfired tremendously. Yeah, that's why I always made the joke. Anytime I do anything like this, almost like I'm asking a girl out and I'm in kindergarten. Will you go out with me? Okay, hold on. You see what I'm saying, man? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth right now? Kangs. So, Mr. Terpstra, we've decided to change our goals, and we're no longer technically analyzing anymore. We're now just going to IRL stream and talk about life, okay? And what you can do to get better at life, okay, man? That's it, dude. Yeah, there are some pretty awesome. I love like Ethereum's and Ethereum Classic. I love their logos. Like, despite how whatever the projects, I don't care. But dude, their logos pretty sweet, man. Venture a guess on my venture next weekend. Venture a guess. What do you mean, One Man Army? Just chug now, Montana man. Chug now. Hey, what's up about 1G Project, dude? Hello, man. 1G Project, are you cured? I know you all are getting another sickness, man. Alright. Will you go out with me, dude? Biggest date ever. I don't know, man. I'm just finishing up, okay? This is like this is the stream cooldown beer, alright? And that's it. And you're just getting to see me on the big screen. So Barack T, man, how am I? How the heck am I? I'm doing quite well. How are you doing? It's late here. It's 2:07 Eastern, right? Once the booze going down, it's almost down, man. I'm getting there, almost finished. So at this point, you know, it wouldn't work, man. Have sweet Aaron on. Oh my god, don't trigger me, Mr. Spooner, man. Yeah, you know, Mr. Spooner, man, if Montana tipped sweet Aaron anything, like say Montana tipped her $420, she'd be like, and then like forget about it. Like that's why I hate her, because she's so unappreciative and lacks any kind of awareness and really produces literally zero content at all. No content. Sorry, it's a joke. I have to be mean. Be nice to her. Whatever, Mr. Spooner, man. Whatever, dude. There's nothing wrong with one streamer criticizing another because of content. Okay, nothing wrong with that. I'm speaking my opinion. This is not live streaming advice. Okay. Dash now accepted at Church's Fried Chicken in Venezuela. Coming to a dumpster fire economy near you. Yes, just a yes. Good. You don't believe that I'm drinking if I'm not wearing the V-Chain Moonboy hat? Dude, this I've only worn this thing twice in my entire life, dude. Halloween and Thursday night. Or whatever, okay? So, just saying that. Monero, awesome logo. Ethereum logo, awesome. Makes me look like a fro. Like that, dude. Talking about the Jersey man. Hey man, how you doing, dude? Is that better, man? Is that better? No more worrying about. Hey, look, the Sword of 1,000. I can't remember. This doesn't. I don't think we've named this one yet. The Sword of 1,000 S coins is mounted on. It's on the wall, dude. And this one. That one doesn't have a name, I don't think. Sort of a 10 S coins or something. Stupid. You want some fried chicken? Yeah, I kind of want some fried chicken too, man. I'm gonna get some leftover ham and oyster dressing and turkey and green bean casserole and broccoli casserole and scalloped potatoes and Kangs. Okay, I think that's what I'm gonna eat when I get off here, okay? I learned from the princess to switch to the big screen. Will you like my voice while working? And talk about live. Secret Terps man. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Well, good man, good. But unfortunately, it's just I'm almost out of beer, and once this beer is done, this stream is done. That's kind of how it is. I'm just cooling off, man. You do over 20 plus charts in a stream, there's a cool off period, okay? Whether I'm live or not, I'm just live, okay? So 2,396 by May. Oh my God, Billy, man. Oh my God. Yeah, dude, trim my neck or whatever. Trim my, yeah, dude. Fantastic, man, fantastic. There. Right, like that, man. Is that it? Is that it? Yeah, dude. You have to, as one who has a beard, you are one day away from being homeless, from looking homeless. So that is a reality. We all know that. XRP to 1 trillion by the end of the year. Bear will go all in. All in, dude. Well, if that was the case, man, I'm gonna be a trillionaire. Okay. You remember I was doing 50 charts? There was one stream I did like, yeah, over that. It was one time, I can't remember. Yeah, dude. Side girl, yeah. I know. I know. I was waiting for the day someone would be like, Ray, I remember that time you used to do 50 charts. You changed, man. You've changed. It's not about the charts anymore, man. It's about engagement, man, with the community. Screw that, dude. Get back to the charts, slave. And the 20 charts plus were positive? No, some were absolutely terrible. Okay. Anyway. This is weird though, man. This is really weird. I don't think I've ever been this long on live stream pool. I don't think I ever have. Okay, so cool, man. It's cool. It was weird though, man. I feel almost naked because I've been like in the little box down here for so long. I'm just not used to it. Hey, I need to add stuff, man. If I'm doing IRL, I need to be like, hey, man, let's make this more festive, okay, man? Hold on. Do I not have snow? I don't. I've never had snow before on here. I got this too. What? Montana man, air man, good. Oh, yeah.
Montana tipped $100. Too bad no Sig Girl or Julia for the La Foma fund, yo.
Sig Girl? Side Girl? I didn't know you were a Sig Girl. I thought you were health conscious. I'm sorry. Sig Girl. Dude, Montana, man. That's worth the $100 friggin' man. Freaking love you, dude. Okay. It's so dumb, dude, about overlays and stuff. Like, any kind of thing, like with my charts, my full screen, all that. Like, I can't have my overlay on top of it on Stream Elements because, like, all this other stuff up here is going to be there too, and I can't do it, man. It's so dumb. Like, they're all the same thing. Streamlabs is different, where Streamlabs you can do anything you want. You can. It's all a widget. They're all singular widgets, like alert boxes. Stream Elements sucks, kind of, for that. Oh my god. Oh boy. Probe says, I don't remember much after chugging beer Thursday night. Outside of the nose you made on your Moonboy helmet. Nose? You talking about noise? Noise, not nose. Dang fat fingers, man. Holy crap, man. Dude. Oh my god, man. Yeah, man, I just don't know, man. I just don't know, man. We were in a total bull run, Side Girl. It was glorious. What are we talking about? The altcoin spring or something? We can go back to full screen. We can take a look at my ugly face. We can analyze my ugly face. Okay, so my ugly face is ugly and pale, and we're doing things. Okay, we're doing things in my home office. All right. Hey, I highly doubt that my family's watching right now, but one of my gifts today was literally this. You see the script A that I turn on, you know, every Saturday the band was playing? They got me that, and I poker faced it. I didn't say anything. I was like, oh my god, this is so awesome. Thank y'all so much. So now, if they ever watch, hopefully they're not watching now, but like, I'm gambling on that. But hopefully if they watch in the future, they'll think it's what they got me for Christmas, right? And they even said, hey, and this is how I know, hey, they don't watch my stream, right? Like, hey, you can put it behind you in your office and turn it on. It's like, yeah, I can do that for sure. Did that every Saturday this year, right? Every this season or anyway, whatever. I don't know. Whatever, man. Should I talk in Valley Girl? Would that help, chat? Talking in Valley Girl? Let me know. Does anyone know? Okay. The ninja beard thing. That's all you need for a beard, man. What's up, 2 bits? Bringing in 5 trees. Why only 5 trees? 2 bits, man. That's not enough for the party. Okay, sorry, dude. What's up, Chaz Garcia, man? Chaz, are you enjoying the IRL stream? We've switched careers. Okay. Oh man, y'all. This is too much, dude. This is too much, alright? Holy crap. Pale is the new friggin' awesome. I don't know about that, okay? Looking at it, it's bringing the upside a little bit. It's not really going any higher than it's been. It's kind of just moving up. It's nice though that it is broken out at that downslope resistance, right? And if that's the case, the bump and run target is 37,341 sats. Okay, that's the bump and run. Oh my god. Y'all, I just don't understand, man. I don't know what to do anymore, right? I just wanted to finish my beer, man. Just want to finish my beer. Let's see if I can make this larger. Look, watch this, man. Be like, "Hey, my kid." And there needs to be the noise, the like the Twilight Zone. I'm doing this, man. We can do a bit. What is this? Ethereum. US dollar. Still rejecting things. AA Ron, thanks for the 333 repeating cars. Thank you. Much love, man. Oh yeah, I was trying to make this festive in here. I was trying to make it festive. Hold on, give me a sec. Okay. We're gonna make this thing festive. Let's get some snow going. Excuse me. The heck, man? It's snowing, man. It's snowing. Can you hear me, man? It's snowing. What else can we do? I think we can do plenty of cool stuff, man. Like we go like the Christmas. We can do the Christmas tree, man. We can put the Christmas tree somewhere, man. Alright, the Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. And then we can also do What else, man? We do the nameplate thing, right? Yeah, the nameplate's sweet, dude. This is Chalen right here. Chalen did a fantastic job right here. Okay, man. It did wheat. So did wheat, man. So did wheat. Okay. Alright, man. And maybe I should do the ticker at the bottom, right? Maybe I should do the ticker at the bottom. Move this up just a little bit. Yeah. This would be sweet, man. Hold on. Let's move that and let's add it real quick. Give me a sec. Oops, not. It is a media source, right? No? It's not. I'm just hanging, dude. Like, you don't have to be here. You can leave. I'm just hanging out, okay? Let's see. Ticker question mark? Ticker question mark. Okay. Oh man, I have to do cropping now. That sucks. Hold on. Wait, let me go to my other scene real quick so I can mimic this. Properties? No, transform. 3840. No, it's cropping. It's cropping matters. It's 210, 850. 0, 0. Okay, sweet. We're good. We're good. Let's go, Batman. Baby Kangs. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'm making this super sexual in this IRL stream, okay, man? Transforming this thing too. Make it perfect, dude. Make it perfect, dude. So nice. Awesome. Right? Did we do it, man? Did we do it? Y'all let me know if this is better. If this is better. Snow, Christmas trees, stuffs, man. Oshano Hennessy's house, man. I know him, dude. It was my teacher, man. So what happened in chat, man, while I was doing that, okay? What happened? Are we okay? Is everything okay? One man Army says his mom can beat up your dad. He said, true story, man. Just saying, man. And we've lost so many viewers. Viewers are like, oh, screw this guy. Screw Ray, man. Screw Ray. Anyway, I don't know, man. I guess it's time. I guess it's that time where I've overstayed my welcome. All right? Overstayed my welcome. It's empty now, so... I don't know why it does that, man. I can't help it. I don't know why it bugs out like that, dude. Oh, it feels so good! I'm gonna do this. Montana, man, thanks for the $100, dude. Back to back hundos, man. Ain't that? Holy crap, man. The tree is way too small for my full screen face. I'm gonna be like, ah. I'm gonna get it, Zed, man. Holy crap, dude. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. I don't even want to, man. There's so many days, man, where like I'll get PMs about issues, and I'm just like, man, I don't want to deal with these issues, man. These issues have nothing to do with charts. But though I must, right? 2 bits. Thanks for the 6 trees. Seriously, that's quite generous. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 bits has generously given 6 trees. Chat. What's up, Michael Tuscan, man? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you as well. Peace and love, 2019. Yes, sir. Wait, what'd it say? What you mean, what'd it say, man? I never overstand a welcome, Julia. Au contraire on that one. Au contraire. We should all get a drink, Zed Serves, man. Oh my god, man. Dude, I can't even. I might be out, alright. To enlighten the Hollywood deal, HBO pays minimum wage for extras, which was an $8 an hour for 8 hours. Holy crap. Thank God Danny McBride was there, or you would have forfeited your pay. Dude, Tim, that's ridiculous, dude. How is that even possible? In California, dude. In, like, Hollywood, California, right? Right, but didn't they do it actually in Daytona? Daytona Beach? South Carolina? I just don't understand. Sunny Bunky, thanks for the 4 Christmas trees. That equates to more than 6 regular trees. So thank you, Sunny, for one-upping 2 bits on the trees, man. Thanks, dude. It's pretty nuts out there, Woman Army. Yeah, tell me about it, dude. Tell me about it, man. It is crazy out there, man. Anyway, so hey, look, man, we're looking at Ethereum and the US dollar just running on up, trying to consolidate a little bit, just failing, rejecting the 1618 and the top trend line of the parallel upsloping channel that we got going on. I have not reached that 382, that major swing high fib node. Yeah. It was Myrtle Beach, not Daytona. My bad, dude. Myrtle Beach, dude. Daytona Beach, Myrtle Beach. Sorry, dude, I'm dumb. Myrtle, the merman. Okay, dude. Same dude. The merman. Oh my god. Anyway, I could go back to. Should I do IRL or just get out of here, or Montana? What you think, man? What you thinking, dude? This ever has a heart? Okay, never mind. I guess I should get out of here. Holy crap, man. Why can't we just all get along, man? Why can't we just all get along? Dang it, man. Dang it, dude. You wish it was more interesting? Tim Mosley, no, it was plenty interesting. It's good, man. It's good. Is there anywhere in the, like, that we could see you, Tim? Like, are you in any, like, is there a second of the show where it's like, hey, man, you can actually see my head or something in the show? That'd be sweet, Tim. I'd love to look at that, okay? Dude, this is... Alright, anyway, so I guess I'm just gonna end it. I'm gonna quit while I'm behind on this one. So, alright, y'all. Thanks so much for the love, support, the likes, the dislikes, the contributions, the new subs, the old subs. I love y'all so much. This is the best community that exists in crypto, right? So, I'll be back tomorrow at some point, right? Montana man, look man, Bradford's, he's like, you know, he's my right hand guy, right? He's like my manager in a way, like, so we gotta find a way to reach some sort of medium. Okay, we gotta find a way to get along, otherwise we're reaching untenable levels. Okay, where I gotta have him to help manage all my stuff, right? Like to help me with my day to day, right? So we gotta find a way to get this resolved. If we can't, man, I don't know what to do, man. I don't know what to do. This is putting me in a really tough spot. All right. So anyway, just think about what I said there. You insulting Bradford really, it sucks, man, because Bradford has been an incredible and valuable asset to me and what I do for almost an entire year now. So like, please have perspective on that. All right, and let's try to come back with a new attitude. All right, man, because Bradford's always been there for me through thick and thin, and for literally like a year. So just think about that. I'll be back tomorrow. I love y'all. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.